Hey folks, welcome back to another live streaming of T2SMC Trader. How are you all? I believe that everyone is cool. Let me know if there is an issue of sound. If everything is okay, then we are good to go. Today is Wednesday, and so far I know that we have the way to trade until 1 p.m. So after 1 p.m., market will be closed. So it's gonna be a very small session. That means the only one session. So to be honest, this this day is not good for trading. Either way, this is the NFP week, and the NFP week is always the unpredictable week. All, I mean, 90% of the time it is, uh, I mean, unpredictable. To be honest, okay. Good morning, good morning. Sound is great, all perfect. Sound is amazing. Thank you. Cannot hear it. Lot of drama, Outlander. Lot of drama, brother. Seriously. So tomorrow is holiday. What is you? If you are trading your real money, what you are thinking right now? Now let me actually catch your mind. You are thinking that I have to get a winning trade before closing the AM session. That means after 1 p.m. we are not able to trade. So we have to take a winning trade before 1 p.m. because tomorrow is holiday. We don't have this PM session. Let's go. Let's go. Get some money. Okay. So everyone is in rush. Now it's your decision. What should you do? Trading is not like know speed run. It's kind of marathon. Whoever runs slow over here, they will stay long. If you would love to run faster, you will be lost. We will never get you again, okay? Until you lost lot of losses. So make sure that you are running slowly, because the slow you are, the more profitable you will be. Okay. So guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. I believe that everyone is cool. A lot of too much talking before the starting of today's session. Whatever I'm going to tell you today, you will be very angry on me, to be honest. But I would love to add one more thing before starting, and that is many of you asked for the PayPal account so that you can give me some coffee appreciation. So yeah, I have added a PayPal account. You will get that to the description and as well as to the comment box. So yeah, that you are asking, I added. Whatever you are asking, I'm going to give it to you, okay? Including your success. I'm going to give you the success as well if you would love to follow everything I'm trying to tell you. Yesterday's price action, this is the daily chart for Nasdaq, and you can see a very nice expansion yesterday. Then market has taken Friday high today. Today it has taken Friday high. Now it is like here. As I told you, whatever I'm going to tell you today, you will be angry on me, and that is the first thing I would love to tell you. I would love to see that market is going to fall again. Okay. Now it is unbelievable, and this is, you can say, brother, this is just insane. Why you are looking for sell? Because market has closed above this fair value cap. You told that in your weekly analysis video that if market can close above that fair value cap from daily chart, you will look for the all-time high. I just can't go for that. The reason is the situation right now. The one session, then tomorrow is the holiday, so everything is going to be little different, and this is NFP week. I really would love to see that market is going to fall today. Okay. At the same time, first I would love to see that market will go below the constant encroachment of that fair value gap. If it failed to do that, yeah, I'll be bullish. So I will wait until 10 a.m. because we have PMI news around 10 a.m. So around 10 a.m. if I see market is below this constant encroachment of this fair value gap, below here, yeah, I will start to look for sell, and that is my expectation. I really don't want to see that market will keep going higher and take that all-time high today. Okay, I really don't want to see that, because a lot of people are thinking that market is going for that all-time high again. So I don't want to be the part of their thinking. I would love to go against them. This is how I actually trade. So my first is, expectation is market will fall today. So the way it fall here, then it went higher again here. See this two candle over there. I'm expecting the same thing over here as well. That is my expectation. That's why I told that you are going to kill me. brother, what you're talking. Yeah, this is how I am thinking. This is my starting of my today's journey. But after seeing all of this price action, it's little clear that market is going for that all-time high. So this is the all-time high. It seems like market is going for that all-time high, except the thing I have seen here. Yesterday was the manipulation day. Market has taken Monday high, and it was overzealous to take that Friday high. Failed to take that Friday high yesterday, and today is it's actually it has taken the Friday high. Now it is going to fall again. Okay, that is my first expectation from daily chart. At the same time, I will wait for 10 a.m. news. So around the news, what market will do, I will take my decision depend on that. So I just told you two type of things. If market can go below that consonant crossband, I'll be bearish. If market doesn't reach below that consonant crossband, I'll be still bullish, and I will try to catch something above that high. So I am thinking that if market fail to fall, then it's gonna be a consolidated day. So it's not going to be expansion day, though today is Wednesday. Because of the holiday problem, we are not going to get the expansion today. Okay, that's my expectation so far. Let me go to the hourly chart. So this is my hourly chart. If you have seen my yesterday's video after the PM session, I have made the video and I have explained the price action out there. Over there, I told one thing. If you didn't notice, let me remind you one time. Here, this is the entry fair gap from hourly chart. Previously, market has been rejected from the low. So this time, I told that I would love to see that market will reach until that constant crossband, then market will fall. When I have made that video, trust me, prices over there. So don't think this is all hindsight. Go to my last video, watch that video when I talked around that area. Listen that part carefully. Okay. So in my opinion, market is actually falling, and the expectation I was expecting from daily chart, it is going to be more clear over here by the hourly chart. So from the hourly chart, I'm seeing that market has been rejected to the low of that entry fair value gap first. Now it is rejecting from the consonant crossment of the daily fair value gap, hourly entry fair value gap. If it was overzealous, it could reach until that last fair value gap, but it didn't do that. I'm really happy to see that market is actually below the 50% of that entry fair value gap, and it is perfectly rejecting from the consonant crossment. It is reaching lower. I really would love to see market will go below this consonant crossment before the news or around the news 10 a.m. news. Okay, so that's my expectation. My initial target is this last parameter from hourly chart, and then if it is overzealous, maybe it will go toward that sell side liquidity. I am not expecting that much of run, but yeah, still now I'm actually bearish. If market fail to go below that consonant crossment around the news or before the news, then yeah, I'll be bullish, and I will think that this entry parabolic gap, this last parabolic gap, all of them are going to be broken, and market is going to take that all-time high. I mean, if you ask me that, brother, what is the most probable thing? The most probable thing is market is going to fall. That's the most probable thing according to my analysis, according to my study, according to my knowledge. Okay, the reason I have already explained. Now let me go to 15-minute chart. So right now I'm in 15-minute chart, and you can see this is the price action from 15-minute chart. Yesterday market perfectly went higher, traded that order block around that area, then went higher perfectly, came here, take that high, Friday high, trade that consonant crossment of that entry fair value gap. After trading that consonant crossment, market tap to the low. Let me show it to you. Trade the consonant crossment, trade the low, fall. I really would love to see market will keep falling. Here I don't have any fair value gap from 15-minute chart. That is why I would love to use 1 hour chart to see that if it can fall. Okay, so if market can make a fair value gap around that area, uh, I mean, if it can make, I don't know it is going to make it or not, but if it can make, then what can happen around 10 a.m. this candle is going to be closed around 10 a.m. So after closing this candle around 10, market can tap to this parallel gap, then it can fall, start to fall. If I see that type of things is happening, I will be in 1 minute chart and I will try to take a sell. And my first target is until this constant crossband of the daily bullish fair value gap. Okay. So yeah, that's all for the beginning. And I would love to add one more thing. Some of you want to join the psychological group. You are welcome, brother. But the thing is, I tried to explain that too many times. If it is still confusing for all of you, let me explain that little more. Okay. So, for example, you are in market and suddenly you have seen that there is a setup. So I'm just marking it randomly. Okay. So you have seen that market has taken some liquidity around that area. That is the liquidity taken. So you have to mark that liquidity has taken. You have to just mark like that way. Then you have seen that this is your market structure shift. So you have to just mark it as a market structure shift. Maybe there is your fair value gap. This is your fair value gap. So you are expecting market will tap to this parabolic gap, then it will start to go high. How far it can go? Maybe you have seen that this is your buy side liquidity, so market is going for that buy side liquidity. So what you will do, you will put this tool over there. You don't need to press your button, push your button. You have to do nothing. Just put this tool, make it until that area. Give me this screenshot, not after completing the uh, trade or nothing, just this. I just need this screenshot when the setup has created on the chart. Give me that screenshot. No need to explain that, no need anything else. Okay, don't get panic if it hit your stop loss or if it hit your target profit. I don't care about that, I don't need that. All I need to see that, are you looking for some kind of, I mean, when you will keep sending me the screenshot, I will get an idea about your trading. So I will get confirmation that you are not gambling, you are actually following some rules. If I am sure that you are actually following some rules, I will add you over there. If your every single trade, I mean, this thing is going to be a losing trade, I don't care. All I need to see that you have, you are just following some rules. Okay, so make sure that it's clear to you. You have to just mark everything, your market structure ship, sell side liquidity, or if you would love to take the entry depending on that order block, breaker block, whatever you are looking for, just mark that on, so that after seeing that on screenshot, I'll be able to see what you are thinking around that time, why you actually pushed, you wanted to push your button over there. Okay, so that I can be sure over there by seeing that screenshot. So that's all for the beginning, and I believe that uh, you got some initial idea about today's trade. We will see if it gives us the precision or if it fails to give us the precision. We will see both of them. Just keep that in your mind. Today is Wednesday. The narrative is not going to work because today is half day. We are not able to trade after 1 p.m. So we have to be careful because every other people are in rush. Okay? They are in rush. They have to get some profit because today they won't be able to trade. Today is not they are going to get some profit, so let's get some profit from today. Just today is our last day in my life. I will never be able to trade anymore, so let's get some profit from today. So this is how they rush, and the market maker, they actually use that feelings, that psychology, and he get rich and rich, more rich. Okay, and the retail trader, they keep losing the trade, keep actually losing the money. We are very near to 9:30 a.m. So I will see around 9:30 how the market works, or how it, or I mean, open, then how it react around that area. As I'm looking for sell, I really would love to see some kind of sell setup only. I am not interested to look for buy setup. I will go for the buy if and only if I see that around the news time, or maybe before the news time, market failed to go below that consonant crossment. What else can happen? Market can actually tap to this parabolic gap. If it can make the parabolic gap, then it can tap to this parabolic gap. Then maybe it can fall. Okay, it can keep falling. In that type of situation, I will try to catch that fall run. Okay, and if it keep going higher, in that type of situation, we will try to wait for some kind of bullish parabolic from 15-minute chart until this buy side liquidity is not taken. We will be bullish. Okay, so for that I need a bullish parabolic because market has to break this entry parabolic and the last parabolic from hourly chart. Why I am in hourly chart? The reason is from 15-minute chart it's extremely difficult to trade because there is no perfect price action over there in 15-minute chart. That's why I just kept it open over there. I actually don't need it, but you please make sure that your hourly chart is open. So that's why I told that you are going to tell me I'm crazy. But yeah, the way I am like that way. I don't care about your troll. I don't care about anything. I always believe my analysis, I always try to believe the things I'm predicting at the beginning of the market. So if it doesn't give me that, I'm not gonna participate in that run. So if you have seen that yesterday's video, you have already seen that how I outlined the all the price action to that perfect bull run. Okay, so please watch that video. It will be insightful for you. Trust me, it is going to be insightful for you. I would love to do some advertisement before, because until 9:30 I really don't have anything to do. So you can see this is the Apex prop firm. We have a discount code NLCKHFMI. Okay, that is the discount code. If you use that discount code, you are going to get 80% off. Okay, 80% off for 150, 250, and 300k accounts. You are going to get those accounts only for $40. It's really so cheap, so cheap. Okay, even if you fail to pass the eval for the first time, you are going to get the reset by $35 only. Okay, these $35 resets are going to be available until 9th July. That means we have left 6 days, 6 days left. The lifetime fee for the platform Tridovit and Rhythmic is going to be $85. That is also so cheap, comparing with the normal price. But that offer, $85 offer, is also going to be valid until 15th of August. So we have a lot of time, near about 1.5 month for that $85 lifetime fee. But the reset fees and the 80% off, these things is very good deal. If you are a prop firm trader, try to catch some account. And if you are already profitable, okay, if you think that you are good to go with the prop firm, then you will get all of these things with a cheaper price, 150, 250, 300k just for $40. It's really so awesome. So that was the advertisement. At the same time, the BullNox, to the top of the left corner you will see there is a code T2 wizard. So if you are a BullNox trader, prop firm trader, then you can use that code. That is 83% off. So you can use that code for BullNox account. Okay. Make sure that you have given me the likes before 9:30. Make sure that you have given me at least 80 likes. I can see near about 150 people are watching right now. So make sure that you have pushed your like button. I'd love to to talk to you guys because I have 5 minutes left for 9:30. So I don't have anything to talk about the price action right now. So let's talk to you guys. How much your accuracy with ICT? Vikash Patel, 100% brother. If you ask me that question like that way, how much my accuracy with ICT, I will say 100%. And yeah, the PayPal account is available on the comment box and also the description. Any kind of coffee appreciation will be appreciated. Okay, thank you guys for being with me, for giving me this unlimited support. Thank you so much. I bought 7 accounts. Thank you, Outlander. Thank you, brother. Yeah, yesterday you bought 7 accounts. I got the notification. I'm not trading them yet. We'll wait to finish challenge first. Okay, that's good idea, brother. But thank you for that help, brother. Are you analyze based on the Wednesday narrative? No, I'm not analyzing based on Wednesday narrative. I'm analyzing based on current situation of the market. The way market is closed tomorrow, today, and NFP week, the way market expanded yesterday. By depending every single thing, I'm trying to analyze my market today, depending on that. If you asked me if I would do the normal analysis, then I would say that market is going higher for that all-time high. I wouldn't look for sell. I wouldn't even think that market is going to fall because it looks so crazy after that big move. If I tell you that market is going to fall again until this low, you will start to kill me. Okay, you will start to just tell me I'm mad. So depending on this situation, I'm expecting that market is going to fall again. Okay, can you explain where and why you were wrong with bias yesterday? I didn't say that I was wrong about my bias. I just told that I was thinking market is going to take that Monday high, then it will fall again. For the Monday low. It doesn't need to reach until that Monday low, but it will fall little bit. At the same time, I had some fair value gap over there, which I have explained perfectly to my last video. So please watch my last video. Trust me, it will be everything will be clear, brother. So please watch the last video. After the PM session yesterday, I explained all of this price action, and I have showed you the only setup was yesterday was valid setup. I've already showed you that, and why that setup was valid, how to use the fair value gap, everything you will get insightful that video. So make sure that you have watched that video, brother. Thanks, brother. Understood. You are most welcome, James. How much experience do you have in ICT? I have near about now from 18 to 24. That means 5 years. Near about 5.5 years. Hey George, ready for some booms today? Let's see, brother. We will see how it's going to work today. But make sure that you are not in rush because every single people are in rush today. They would love to get some profit today. Today is the last day of of the trading in my life. So let's get some profit from today. Don't wait for the Friday. Okay, so this is something like that. So make sure that you are not in rush. Let the market first decide where it really would love to go. I am feeling like that market is going to fall. I have already explained why I'm feeling like that way. And if it doesn't do that, or if it doesn't give me that price action, yeah, I'll be bullish because bullish is so obvious, and every single person is thinking that market is going for a all-time high. Okay, so it is obvious. The bullish run is obvious, but I am not thinking at the beginning that market is actually going for bull run. Instead of that, I'm thinking market is going to fall again today. So it's gonna be a crash today. For you, the most important fair value gap are the 930 fair value gap, last fair value gap, and the entry fair value gap. Then when we have lots of fair value gap on one leg, do you go for higher time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour? James, I actually don't go higher time frame more than 15 minute. But if I see that 15-minute price action is messy, then I actually go hourly chart. I don't go for hour chart. Very rare I actually go hourly chart. So this is 930 open. I would love to see that market will keep falling. Okay, it doesn't need to reach too much higher. So I would love to see it will fall. If it doesn't do that, I will just wait until 9:30. Sorry, until 10. I really don't have anything to do. We have a red folder news around 10. So make sure that uh, you are waiting until 10. By the way, guys, actually I'm asking Peter, or I mean AFX, any of you who has the ability to donate through the PayPal, make sure that you have donated at least $1. So I can say that if someone donate even $1, sorry, it shows on the screen. Okay, so please donate me $1. It's a request so that I can be sure that it's showing on the screen that someone, if someone has donated through PayPal, it shows on the screen. don't even look at this run. Okay, we don't have anything to do until 10. So we will see around 10 what is going to happen. Until 10 no entry is valid, as we have the what to say, I mean uh, PMI news around 10. So make sure that you are not trading before 10, and don't get panic with any kind of run. Somebody has taken the membership. Welcome to the membership area, brother. Thank you for joining. Make sure that you have given me the penguin. My chart is not open yet. I mean, my chart is closed. So, chat, not chart, sorry. My chat is closed. So please don't get panic why he's not replying my question. I will read your question around 11. So don't worry. I will give you all the questions. So let me wait for the price action first. Then we will go for the precision or your question Q and A over there. We'll go over there around 11. Okay. Let me open the chat one more time. Guys, AFX. Oh, okay. This is my world. Welcome to death now. I am Tupac. T2 is Suji Knight. Okay. I sent it to your PayPal. Okay. So you have sent it to my PayPal, but it's not showing on the screen. I mean, did you use the Gmail or used that link on my description? Which one you have used, brother? I guess you have used the Gmail account. That's why it's not showing over there. Yeah, that's why it's not showing. Waiting to see the price action. There you go. Thank you, Outlander. Yeah, it's showing over there now. Okay. Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Okay. No need to send me any more money. I just wanted to see that if it shows or not. That's all. Thank you, brother. It's showing over there. Thank you. Thank you, brother. My chart is closed. Sorry, my chat is closed right now. I will read your all of your question, okay, and the comment after 11. So give me 1 hour and 20 minutes without the chart. So thank you, brother. Okay, thank you so much for being patient with me until that area, until that time. So around 11, I will start to read your chat again. Until then, just let me see what is happening over here. Make sure that you didn't take any entry before 10 because around 10 we have a red folder news which is PMI, a very dangerous news. Trust me. Don't try to catch that PMI move. Sometimes the PMI move is extremely dangerous. So make sure that you are not going to catch that move. No reason for it. By the way, we have another medium impact news around 9:45. We can have little volatility around that area as well. We will see. So, guys, you know that I told you something crazy today. I believe that some of you are thinking this guy is just gone crazy. But yeah, I have explained everything. So make sure that you understand that properly. What I have told before starting the today's session. So you have understand that perfectly. Make sure that at the same time, if suddenly there is any sound problem, let me know because it can happen sometimes. I just open my headphone from my my ear is not okay yet, and that's why sometimes I open it and then I put it again on my head. That's why sometimes there can be a sound issue. Let me know that if there is any sound issue. Everyone, everyone. By the way, did you push the like button? Make sure that it's 100 likes. I know that there is more than 150 people are watching right now. Make sure that it's 100 likes. Okay, confirm that 100 likes. This is the breaker block. So far, I'm just expecting that this breaker block is going to hold the price, sending it back for at least until this constant encroachment of this daily fair value gap. Okay, I'm just thinking like that way at my beginning. So we will see if it is going to happen or not. So Let's see. So far this is the mohawk. You see this outside of this box, that is the mohawk. So far I really would love to see that it will fall now, and the very next candle is not going to make any bullish parabolic gap over here from 15 minute chart. It's not going to make any kind of bullish parabolic gap. Instead of that, it will keep falling, and it's not going to make any bullish parabolic. That's my expectation so far. But at the same time, I told that we will take our decision after 10, because 10 p.m. news, sorry, 10 a.m. news can go either way. If the 10 a.m. news go, I mean, extremely, it go higher above this parabolic gap, there is nothing wrong to think that market is going to make all-time high again. But around 10, if it starts to fall, perfect. I'll just go for the sell side liquidity. Someone has, I mean, uh, what to say? I mean, donated again. I need to see the name. Yep, Georgian. Thanks, brother. Thanks for that. I really appreciate that, man. But yeah, by the way, guys, there don't get confused, because I just add that PayPal account to the uh, Streamlabs. So AFX, when you have actually sent me the money, you sent that money directly to my PayPal, but that's why your name wasn't showing on the screen. But if you use that link where I mean I added that link to my Streamlabs, if you did that through that links, then it would show your name on the screen. Okay, so okay. It's cool. Okay, the sound, I should keep that sound, because if that sound is on, then I can get notified if someone just uh, take the membership, or if someone just donate something, I can get notified. So spare that thing. Help me. Okay. Thank you, brother, for joining the members. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, man. Make sure that you have given me the penguin. Jason R 18. We are chilling, okay? Until 10, we are chilling, just chilling. We have nothing to do. We are just watching this price action, nothing else. We have just nothing else to do until 10 a.m. So we will take our decision after 10. So don't get panic. Until 10, we will just enjoy the price action. It didn't work actually. It's broken. If it is not the fake breakout, then we'll keep it little more time to see if this candle can close above this order block level, or I mean sorry, mean threshold or not. If it can close above that mean threshold, I'm just gonna close this order block over there, because it will be failed around that area to hold the price. Until then, I'm seeing this is the fake breakout, so it's still now it's valid order block to me. This one, this is the mean threshold of that order block. If any of you are thinking that today's price action is going to be very beautiful, I will make sure that keep your expectation little lower. Okay, keep your expectation little lower, because today is half day trading, and it's gonna be very difficult to trade today. Very difficult, trust me, brother. Either way, this is NFP week, so the NFP week extremely difficult to trade. With that NFP week, we have holiday tomorrow. Holiday after the AM session today. Can you imagine how difficult it's going to be trade today? Still now, we will try to frame some setup, I guess, and we will see if we can break this market perfectly or not. And the guys, please make sure that you are reminding the viewers to give me the likes, subscribe to the channel. By the way, if any of you are here to think that you are going to learn something from someone that is going to help you to avoid every single loss, please, trading is not for you, okay? Psychology is everything. In trading, psychology is everything. If your psychology is very strong, losing is not going to stop you. Losing trade is the part of this game. It's inevitable. Nobody can avoid losing trade. Just make sure that you are not thinking that you are going to get some kind of perfect strategy that is going to give you 100% winning trade or maybe 90% winning trade. It's really rare. 90% winning trade is also very rare. So make your expectation a little lower. Try to accept the losing trade and keep going with your profit slowly. Okay, slowly. You will start to run slowly. At the end of the day, you will see that you are profitable and you have earned a lot of money. Lot of money. I'm going to remove this breaker block because maybe it's going to be broken. So if I see that this candle actually come back again and it has made a bearish candle, then I will mark this breaker block. Otherwise, I don't want to keep that on my chart. 9 minutes left for the news. Sorry, 9 minutes left for the news. We will see around news time what is going to happen. Every single day is not for trading. This simple logic, whoever doesn't understand this logic, I really don't know what to say to them. Every single day is not for logic. Like yesterday, yesterday we had an opportunity. I explained that to my video, but yesterday is not for trading. But brother, it was a very nice bull run. I don't care about that bull run because that is unexpected. If you really don't know, like today, I know this is my line. Market is going for that line today. I didn't know that yesterday where market is reaching for. So yesterday when market was going higher, it was just it was untradable. Yeah, we can gamble over there. We can predict. Then we could take buy. Obviously, we could do that, but that's gambling. If I keep doing that, I will keep losing. Some days, maybe yesterday I was lucky, so I managed a buy over there and I closed my trade over there. I got $10,000 profit. But next day, when I am expecting the same thing again and I started to lose some money, I will blow all of my winning because I'm a gambler. This is just a simple logic. People doesn't understand. I don't know why they don't understand it, but it's just a simple logic. So when you really don't know where market is, and how it is going. Ah man, that is really difficult. Look over here. You have some liquidity around that area, okay? So don't forget about that. Someone has donated again. I just don't know who has. Hey Sarjay, thanks for that man. Thank you so much guys for your unlimited appreciation. I am really surprised how much people love me, man. Thank you so much to all of you, brother. This is the sell side liquidity, okay? Don't forget about this sell side liquidity. Okay, it fall perfectly, then it went higher again. Perfect. This entry value gap is really so important for me. I really would love to see it is broken. Then I'll be very good to go for the buy side liquidity because this last value gap, I believe that it will be broken perfectly by one candle because I'm going to get the reaction from the entry value gap. Until now, market is working with the lower portion of this entry value gap. Still, I'm bearish. Still, I'm bearish. Though the way I was thinking, market didn't work like that way, but still, I'm bearish. And here, if I'm wrong or if I'm right, I don't care because as I told, I will depend on the price action after 10. So I am waiting for the price action. I am just unable to trade right now. So I don't care even if I'm wrong, even if market would love to go higher or market would love to fall. I just don't care. Right now I have no intention to trade. I'm just waiting for more price action. I am not sure where market is going right now. I'm just not sure. So I have to wait for better price action. When I will get a better price action, yeah, I'll be very happy to participate in that price action. Someone has again donated. I love the tone, okay? Hey Senji, thanks man. Thanks for that donation, man. Okay, so news within 4 minutes. Within 4 minutes, we are going to get our news, and we will see what is going to happen around the news time. Okay, make sure that you are not thinking that market is going for that buy side liquidity. You are not thinking that market is going for the sell side liquidity. Right now, market is around the place where market really doesn't know where it wants to. As I told you at the beginning, it seems like too simple that market is going for that all-time high. That is so easy to predict that market is going to take that buy side liquidity or the all-time high. Like the way you are seeing this, every single person are seeing the same thing over there. I just don't want to be the part of their thinking. That's why I would love to go against them. When something is obvious that is going to happen, something is very obvious, every single person can see that. 90% of the time that doesn't happen. Trust me brother, 90% of the time that doesn't happen. So yeah, just wait little more, try to see that this anti-favorable gap has broken or not. Then we will be able to trade. Until 10 we have no opportunity to trade. I'm thinking market will fall. If market can go above this anti-favorable gap around news time, I mean the news run, if the news run started to go higher, yeah, I'll be part of that buy run. If the news run started to fall, I will wait for a sell setup, then I will go for the sell setup. Simple. Now, if you ask me what is my thinking right now, my thinking is something like that. Just right now, my thinking is something like that. If it left that buy side liquidity, I won't be bearish until this area or something. No, I won't be bearish. I will be bullish. But before the bull, I will wait for some kind of deep retracement inside this daily fair value gap. If it take that buy side liquidity before falling, I will just change my thinking and I will see if I can able to frame any kind of setup or not. Every single person is in rush today. Just one word I keep saying to you so that you can understand the fact. Trading is actually all about psychology. 1 minute left for the news. All about psychology. What you are thinking right now. If I were you, I would think that today is Wednesday. Market is going to close around 1 p.m. So I have only 9:30 to 1 p.m. That means near about 3.5 hours. I have to get all the profit within this 3.5 hours. Tomorrow is totally holiday. I just can't. I won't be able to trade tomorrow. I have to need my profit today by this small time. So what is obvious? Some obvious thing I will go for that. This buy side liquidity or all-time high is the obvious thing. So let's go for the buy. After 9:30 open, market keep going higher. You are thinking that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. After 9:30 open, market is going higher. What is more obvious? Market is going to take that buy side liquidity. I am just not interested to see that. So this is the news candle. It has taken all the buy side liquidity, has taken. I would love to see it will fall. Now, this swing low is not valid for shifting market structure. Okay, if I force the market, maybe I can go for that, but this is not valid for shifting market structure, to be honest. If I force it, it's gonna be difficult for me actually. Should I force it? Should I force it? Okay, let's wait a little bit. Let's see if it can make a fair value gap or not. If it can make a fair value gap, then maybe I will go for that sell. If it can make the fair value gap, okay. Well, it didn't make the fair value gap, so I'm not gonna take that sell. I'll just let it go, as it didn't make any fair value gap. Market never lies. So if really market would love to fall, then it should have given me a fair value gaps, bearish fair value gap. It didn't give me that bearish fair value gap. I'm just not interested to frame any sell setup. I'm not overzealous. I'm not thinking that market is not going to give me any opportunity, so I will let it go wherever it wants to go. News has done already. I'm now good to go for trade. If I get anything good, then I will participate in that price action. If I don't get it anything good, I'm not gonna participate the price action. Simple. It can be consolidated. I don't want to be the part of this consolidation. Simple logic, okay? Can it keep going higher? Absolutely, it can keep going higher. There is nothing wrong with that. I told that I will wait until this candle around 10. If it wants to go lower, it will show me that. So far, it didn't show me anything. Yeah, it has taken the buy side liquidity. It went lower, didn't make any bearish fair value gap. So I'm not confirmed that market is going to fall. If it could make a bearish fair value gap, I would be in the market already. I would be already in the market. It didn't do that. I'm waiting. I'm just waiting. But brother, if it fall now, I don't care. I just don't care. There is another way to trade actually three candle logic. One, two, three. This is the three candle logic. If this candle can make a bearish fair value gap, that is also an opportunity to take sell. But this logic is actually little difficult to predict, but at the same time I'm not gonna push my button, but I will see if this candle can make a fair value gap. That means if it can expand lower, then the very next candle makes some kind of fair value gap. That is another opportunity to take sell. I'm not going to catch that on, but I will see. Okay, it didn't make any fair value gap, so I'll just let it go. As I told you that I'm little crazy. This swing low, is that valid for shifting market structure? This swing low, no, it's not valid for shifting market structure. Why? Because this swing low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. Look over here. They're relatively equal lows. So this type of relatively equal lows I don't mark as my liquid as market structure shift. I actually don't like it to make them as my relatively equal swing low for shifting market structure. Where market is working, look over here where market is working. Upper portion of this fair value gap, lower portion of this fair value gap. Where market is working so far. Where do you think market is going to go right now? If I see the setup, I will tell you, brother. Okay, instantly I will tell you. Now, don't no need to rush. Make sure that you are not in rush. No need to rush. Just make sure that you understand the whole logic. Every single person was looking for buy. Every single one was looking for buy. Whoever missed the entry over there, they are seeing this is double bottom. One, two, double bottom. They are taking buy again. So make sure that you are not in rush. If market really would love to go high, then I know this is my last line. So market is going for that line, at least until that line. We will have another opportunity to go for that area. First, make sure that market is closed above this entry fair value gap constant crossment from 15-minute chart. If you would love to look for a buy setup, let him close above the 50% of that entry fair value gap first from 15-minute chart. Then go for the buy. Until then, just keep waiting. If it failed to reach until the 50% of that week, that means it is extremely bearish. If it failed to reach until that consonant crossment of that 1 minute week, that is the sign of extremely bearishness. Make sure that you are not in rush. Again and again, okay? I'm just trying to what is that? Warn you. I'm just trying to warn you. If market would love to go higher, we will have lot of opportunity to go for that buy down. Lot of opportunity, but first make sure that it wants to go higher. Still now there is nothing that is telling you that market is going higher. Trust me, brother. Every single person was watching that market is going high for that buy side liquidity. Obviously market can do that, but after the manipulation, that manipulation until this consonant crossment high or the upper quadrant, that means 75%, this can be the manipulation area. Okay, so make sure that you are not in rush. If it would love to go higher, we'll be able to catch that run. Don't get panic. I have already explained this thing a lot of time, guys. Okay, in my life, if it failed to tap to the 50% of that week, that is the extreme bearish sign. Okay, bearishness sign. That market is extremely bearish. Why that week? Because this week has taken all of this liquidity and it has traded the fair value gap. Go to your back and see that it has traded a 1 minute fair value gap. Just go and check it by yourself. It is the sign of extremely bearishness. That doesn't mean that you are going to push your button. No, you are not going to push your button. You are going to wait to see that really market would love to fall or not. Relatively equal lows, obvious liquidity, daily fair value gap, lot of things you have over there. Make sure that you are patient enough for getting the entry. And now, as it is clean to you, isn't it so clean to you that market is falling? Isn't it clean to you, at least to that low and that low? But look how helpless you are. You are not able to take that sell. Just look at this. This is the part of patience. You have to learn this part. How patient, how helpless you are. Why you are not going to take that entry? Because though it is 100% sure that market is going to take that on, but you can be wrong because there is no setup yet. No setup, nothing at all. Just totally nothing at all. That's why you are just unable to catch that run. Just you are unable to catch that run. You have to let it go. If it doesn't make any setup, then you have to let it go. Make sure that you have given me the likes, uh, yeah, and subscribe to my channel, please. It's the only requirement for for learning a lot of price action. Right now, this is not a good price action. Look over here. See this price action? It's not a good price action. Just look over here, over there. Just nothing. This is the news candle. After the news, do you see something good over here? No. So make sure that you are patient enough. So be patient until price give you something. In 1 minute chart, I'm looking for a sell setup. In 15-minute chart, I'm seeing how price is working with this entry fair value gap. Is it going to close above the consolidated crossband of that entry fair value gap, or is it going to work with the lower portion of this entry fair value gap? I'm watching these two parts from here. This is my bearish order block. I would love to say market will fall from this bearish order block. This is the mean threshold. This is the order block. Okay, so I would love to see market will fall from this order block. That doesn't mean that you are going to take that entry. Please don't do that. Just read the price action. Okay, read with me. If something is good, I see, I will tell you. If we miss something, we don't care. This order block is going to hold the price. It is going to take that low and that low from that order block. Why that one is order block? Because this run has traded that fair value gap. Look at this fair value gap. Brother, it's not the fair value gap. It's just a week. You have missed a lot of things. I have already explained in my YouTube channel. So this last week is the 50% is actually the last fair value gap. This run has traded this fair value gap. The highest up close body close candle is going to be your order block. This is the opening of that order block. This is the mean threshold of that order block. It has traded the open and the mean threshold. Now it should make a fair value gap. A fair value gap that should be unfilled. That type of fair value gap. Please read the price with me, okay, and learn this part, whatever I'm telling you here. No need to rush for taking entry. If something is good happen, I will tell you. Here, look at this thing. This is a bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Market has traded that bullish fair value gap. It can go higher, okay? Easily it can go higher. That's why I'm not going to push my button because I'm seeing this fair value gap as well. This fair value gap. Though I know that market is going to fall, take these two sell side liquidity, but still I am not convinced yet by the price action. I need better clean price action. I am not going to participate in this price action. I would love to be right according to my direction. So we are seeing the price, we are watching the price. This is not good price action. I keep telling you the same thing. You try to understand this part, brother. If some good thing happen, I will tell you, brother, it's time to look for that entry. I'll tell you, don't worry. Still now it's consolidating. Why it is consolidating, brother? Because you are in rush. You have to take an entry. You know that around 1 p.m. market is going to be closed. Tomorrow is holiday. So you are in rush. You need to take an entry. I don't care about anything else. I need to take an entry. That's why market is just consolidating, so every buyers and sellers can be stopped out. Make sure that you are not in the part of that run. Remember that fair value gap? It has been traded the upper portion of this fair value gap. I would love to see it will reach until this constant crossment of that fair value gap. The main fair value gap around 930. The main setup fair value gap. This is that fair value gap, the strongest fair value gap. Okay, this is broken. Now here, this is the market structure shift. This is the entry fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap. If you ask me, not a perfect setup, but I will go for that entry. Okay, this entry I will go for that. You can say me why you are going to go for that entry. Look over here on 15-minute chart. It has closed above the constant crossment of that entry fair value gap. It has closed above that area. It is highly risky. I will just see the my loss. Okay, how much is going to be my loss? 18 handle. So no, I'm not going to take that entry from there. If it can make a fair value gap over there. Okay, there is no fair value gap actually, so I have to take the entry from here actually instead of that here. So 10 handle stop loss. If market come back again here within 3 candle, I will take that entry, though it is extremely dangerous. I'm just trying to predict the price. The 50% of that week has been respected. Fair value gap, this market structure shift is not valid. Okay, actually don't take that entry, instead of that put it over there. This way, let it go. No pushing button. Instead of that, we would love to see if it works or not. Lot of liquidity is over there, but I don't think so right now that market is going for that liquidity. Why? Because market has closed above the constant crossment of that entry fair value gap. This is why I'm not just thinking that market is actually going to fall again. Instead of that, I'm thinking market is keep going higher. This is the only reason. Okay, still now this constant crossment is holding the price. This fair last week constant crossment is holding the price. So I'm not gonna push my button when market will, if market can come back again over here this parallel curve, I'm not going to push my button. Instead of that, I will wait for building a order block. So if it make a order block, then I will try to take my entry from that order block. At the same time, I need the immediate reaction, 1 2 3 candle, within 3 candle. If it can reach until that area within 3 candle, that's gonna be the valid entry. Otherwise it's not gonna be a valid entry either way. So I'm not going to catch that buy from there. Instead of that, I will wait for order block for over confirmation, because this week is holding the price. Look at this week. Okay, so in this hourly fair value gap, hourly entry fair value gap, market has worked with the upper portion of that hourly fair value gap. So it is the confirmation that market is going higher. All I'm seeing that this 50% of that week is holding the price. So I'm not going to push my button if it can reach to this fair value gap. I'm just not going to push my button. Instead that I will wait to build a order block. If it can make a order block, I will go for that buy. Otherwise, I will just let it go. And either way, if it doesn't reach over here, I have no opportunity to take the buy. Simple. Do you understand why I'm not going to push my button from there? Why I'm not going to push my button over there? This market structure shift is not actually, it's valid. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's valid. This market structure shift is valid. This fair value gap is valid. I didn't get the immediate reaction. No problem. If it can reach over there, I'm not going to take my buy because I have seen that the 50% of that week is holding the price. So I'm just not going to push my button from there. Instead, I will wait for the order block. If the order block create over there, I will try to catch the run from that order block. If it started to fall again, I'm very much happy to wait for another setup for the sell, for this sell side liquidity, that sell side liquidity. Look at this price action. Still now there is no clean price action, nothing. Okay, this hourly entry fair value gap was holding the price until the last 15-minute candle. Last 15-minute candle, when it has broken above the consonant cosment, I got little confirmation that market is now going for the buy side liquidity. But at the same time, I'm not going to push my button from that fair value gap again, and again. I'm telling the same thing, guys. Try to understand the part why I'm not confident, because I didn't see that this consonant cosment has been broken yet. It is holding the price. So when it is holding the price, I just can't go for the sell. Sorry, buy, because it is holding the price. I need more confirmation. This is the situation where I need more confirmation. Try to learn this part only, just this part. But rather, if it doesn't, if it don't come to this fair value gap and keep going higher, I'll let it go. Either way, I don't have any opportunity to take the entry because there was no logic. I didn't get any confirmation for that entry, so I didn't take the entry. Simple. You told that market is going to fall. The way I told that the consonant cosment should hold the price. One candle close above that consonant cosment, I get little confirmation. Obviously, it can be the fake breakout. Obviously, it can be the fake breakout. That's why I'm just not interested to push my button over there right now. I don't know, guys, you got my point or not, but this is very important point. Okay, so make sure that you got that understand perfectly. Why I'm not confident to take that buy, because of the reaction of that consonant cosment. If I wouldn't see that things, I would take my entry over there. If I would see that market has closed above that consonant cosment, I would take my buy over there. But as market didn't do that, it's respecting that consonant cosment, I'm just not interested to take the buy. Can you guys notice that it's not a clean price action? Can you see? It's not a clean price action. There is nothing wrong for waiting. A lot of liquidity has left over there. This consonant cosment is holding the price. At the same time, look how beautifully the hourly fair value gap high is holding the price. Look at this. Okay, so everything, after seeing all of these things, I'm not brave enough to take that buy. Can I go for sell? Yes, of course I can go for sell. For that, I need to see that this fair value gap is broken now. This is how you will wait for the perfect setup. If something happen good, perfect, something perfect, then I will tell you. For example, if there was a entry fair value gap, yeah, I would go for that trade. Maybe okay. If I see the body close above that consonant cosment and the entry fair value gap, yeah, I would go for that. But right now, I'm just not interested. But if it work, then yeah, I'll just let it go. I'll be very happy because I was right. I'll be very happy. I don't need to take the entry. Simple. Still I'm thinking that market market will fall. The reason everyone is thinking market is going higher for the all-time high. I just don't want to be their part. So market is telling me something. I should listen to him. Look at this reaction. So market is telling me something. I should listen to him. So I'm trying to listen to him. So finally it tapped to this fair value gap. See, it tapped to this fair value gap. I'm not going to push my button. Instead, I will wait for the order block over there. Is that part clear, brother? This is how you will avoid the losing trade, by watching the price action. This whole price action you should learn. You are not going to learn this thing because you are in FOMO. If it go, then what is happening? I'm going to miss that run. So please don't fall into the trap of FOMO. Think wisely. What is happening over there? Watch them clearly. This hourly fair value gap is holding the price. Look at the candles. This hourly fair value gap is holding the price. This week, which has taken all the buy side liquid, trade the fair value gap. The 50% is important. Holding the price. Everything is telling you that no, market is not going higher. If it wanted to go higher, what was wrong? If one candle could close above that hourly fair value gap, above the consonant crossment, what was wrong with that? Was there anything wrong if market would do that? I don't think so. So why you should get in rush and take the buy from there? No, you don't do that. Instead of that, you keep watching if it can fall for this sell liquidity or not. Because a lot of people took the buy because this buy sell liquidity is obvious. Now you can say, brother, your stop loss is too tight. Okay, no problem. You can put it over there if you want. I'm just not interested. I would love to put it over there so that if I get stopped out over there, it doesn't need to even go below this fair value gap. So it got stopped out. So what I have done, I have avoided a losing trade. See this fair value gap? If it can tap to this low, I will be in the market. If it can tap to this low of this fair value gap, I'll be in the market because this is my inversion fair value gap. Now here is one more part here. If it can make a fair value gap below this fair value gap, that is a part where if it can make another fair value gap below that fair value gap, I should try to catch that entry from that fair value gap, and I should cover this fair value gap. Okay. So here, if it doesn't take me with him, I'm not going to cry. I'm just not going to cry because I knew that where market was going, and I'll be very happy if even if it doesn't take me with him. So let's see if it can go somewhere or not. If it make a fair value gap over there, I'm gonna put it to that fair value gap area. Okay. Here you have to cover this fair value gap only. Why? Because there is no order block, there is no fair value gap. So this fair value gap should be covered. Is that a perfect setup? No, it's not a perfect setup. But if you are able to catch that run, look at the profit. Huge profit, brother. Trust me, it's huge profit. Okay, just let me put it over there. And that should be the okay, it didn't take me. Seriously? Oh man. It's a bad luck, okay? It didn't just take me. That should be the first partial area. Okay, I'll just let it go because it didn't take me. Why it didn't take me? Seriously? I should put my limit order over there, but because I was talking to you guys, so I forgot that actually. It should have taken me. It's just a bad luck, okay? Just a bad luck. Let's see if it can come back again and take me or not. If it spent more than three candle, I won't be here. I won't be here. If it stays more than three candle around that area, I won't be here. I will close this limit cell because it should fall now. It doesn't need to spend more time over there. It doesn't need to do that. Why I'm telling that? Because market should fall right now and it should fall dramatically. That's the obvious thing. So here I really don't want to see it will retrace to this fair value gap. I don't want to see even that. But if it do that, I'll be happy. If I take a loss, it's gonna be very small loss. Just 1100. Look at over there. Just 1100. So let's see. This is the last candle. Little bit. Oh man, so much drama. There you go. Okay. That is going to be my stop loss. My target is going to be here. I'm going to take a partial there. If it doesn't work, by the way, it is not the perfect setup, but this is an opportunity for me because if I'm able to catch that run, look at the profit and the loss 11 ish and 56. This is how this setup works. Very comfortable setup over there. If you are able to catch a small loss, you will be able to catch huge profit. But make sure that you have taken the partial below that area. So let me put it a little below that area. Stop loss should be very tight. Just cover this fair value gap. Just cover that fair value gap. I have explained this entry to my YouTube channel, so don't think that this is my first time. I'm just showing you this entry. Okay, this is not the first time. So make sure that you have watched my the entry this entry technique in my YouTube channel. I need more expansion right now, not like this. More expansion. By the way, if you just look from here to here, look 31 handle. It's more than enough for being profitable. That 31 handle is more than enough for being profitable. I just hold it for this area because I'm believing that market is reaching for this consonant crossment. That is my belief. Okay. I believe that this is going to be my order block. If it closes as a bullish candle, then that would be my order block. But if it doesn't do that, then I have to look for the highest up close body close candle for my bullish order block. But it should be the bullish order block. I mean, in my opinion, that should be the bullish order block. That means it should close as a bull candle. If it doesn't do that, it's okay perfectly. So let it go toward its direction. Let him give me my profit or let him hit my stop loss. If I get a stop out, I will take a very small loss. If it hit my target profit, you will see the profit. Just let him do whatever it wants to do. And in the meantime, I would love to go to take a break for 2 to 3 minutes for clearing my ear. I need to clear the ear, okay? Because it's there is some infection. So I'll be back within 2 to 3 minutes. I'm back. The way it is retracing around that area, I don't like this. To be honest, I don't like this. Though it is retracing to the constant crossment of that inversion parabolic cap, it's cool, but it should fall dramatically. Okay, it should expand higher, lower with speed now. If there is no speed, I'm in a great danger because market won't fall then. But yeah, so what I will do, I will actually reduce my loss over there now above that high. I just reduced my loss over there. I can be stopped out over here. I don't care because this is logical. Market has traded this constant encroachment. I put my stop loss in a logical level. Here, this is my order block. The way I expected a order block, I have got my order block, I guess. Yeah, I have got my stop loss, sorry, order block over there. It should fall now. If it doesn't fall, I'll be stopped out with a smaller loss. You can see it's a very small loss now. Now, don't follow my trailing stop loss because I'm really so bad. My trailing stop loss. I love to trail my stop loss to first. So I trade. Work with my logic. Now my stop loss is just 8 handle now. Just look over there. It's 8 handle. If I get stopped out, I'll be stopped out over here because the way it is spending time over here, I don't like it. It should fall dramatically. Or should I put my stop loss above there? No, just let it hit my stop loss. I will be stopped out over there. That's cool because I'm not feeling confident. Yeah, I got stopped out. Then I will put it over there and I will see if I did something wrong or not. I did the perfect thing. Should I go for buy? No, I should not go for buy right now. It's not valid as a order block anymore. I will wait to see if the market can close below this parabolic up one more time or not. If it can close below this parabolic up one more time, I'll take re-entry over there. If it keep going higher, I'm just not going to touch that market until this constant encroachment is broken. Until it's not broken, I'm not going to touch this market. So if it can come back again below this constant encroachment, I'm going to take re-entry. Sorry, not below this constant encroachment, below this parabolic gap. If it closes below this parabolic gap, I'm going to take a re-entry. Resell. It seems like a very nice bullish parabolic gap to send the price higher. I just can't take that buy. The only reason is market has been rejected from that constant encroachment. It should take at least this relatively equal lows. It left a lot of sales and liquidity around that area. Still now market is in consolidation mode. I would love to catch that run one more time if it can close below this parabolic gap one more time. Right now, I'm just thinking that I'm seeing that market is trading that bearish order block from 15-minute chart. So far price is respecting this bearish 15-minute order block. At the same time, the constant encroachment of that hourly bearish fair gap. I'm just seeing like that way. I didn't change my bias yet. I will change my bias if and only if market can close above this constant encroachment. At the same time, maybe above this hourly fair gap. Then yeah, I will change my bias. Until then, I'm not going to change my bias. If market can reverse from that constant encroachment and can close below this fair value gap one more time, I'm going to use re-entry over there because this is the first fair value gap that created after the news or after 9:30. Until then, I'm just not going to think that market is going higher and it is going to take the all-time high again. So I have to wait for a little more time. But yeah, I will change my bias if it can close above this one and that one, above these two lines. If it can close above there, then I will go for the buy. Okay, this one is broken. I just need one more candle to see if it is broken or not. If it is broken, then yeah, I will start to look for buy. I have the limit until that area. This all-time high. So I'm absolutely good to look for another setup. All I need to do just to wait. Just need to wait a little more. That's all. Until now, there is no perfect setup. No perfect setup until now. That is the perfect setup. This is the hourly last travel gap. Now there is nothing which can stop the price to take that buy side liquidity so far. If this is broken as well, this is the last parabolic gap. If it is broken as well, then there is actually nothing that can stop the price to take the buy side liquidity. Now here I will just wait for a perfect setup. If I get lower market sorry, some liquidity taken, higher market structure shift, I will go for that, because now it seems like that market is going for that buy side liquidity. Still our market is working with the last parabolic gap though. I need the setup. So far I have taken a loss of 8 handle, 8.25 handle. Okay. Okay. I don't know why I just can't think that market is going for that buy side liquidity, because it's so obvious. I mean, everyone is seeing like that way. That market is going to take that buy side liquidity. I mean, the all time high. I just can't see it like that way. We will wait. I will wait until 11 macro. That means 10:50 to 11:10 macro. And this is the macro has started. I will see if there is anything I can get from this macro. I just can't think that market is going for that buy side liquidity. I don't know why, but it seems like so obvious to me. That means market is going to take that buy side all time high. When something is so obvious, it should not happen. That means market should not go for that one, that buy side liquidity. It should not do that. By the way, I need to wait to close this candle first. I wasn't sure about that. I need to close about that candle close first. Okay, it's closed, but no parallel gap left. Okay. Waiting, waiting, waiting a lot. Waiting is so boring. Yeah, I admit that waiting is so boring. If it go above this fair value gap with a bull run with speed and a fair value gap, I'm going to take re-entry to that fair value gap. But it has to close like boom, a bull run, very big run. Because in that type of situation, there I will see that this fair value gap is broken from 15-minute chart. All I need a very nice bull run through this fair value gap one more time. Then I will take the buy. Otherwise, I'm not convinced yet that market is going for that all-time high. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I should go for buy, but still I'm not thinking that market is going for the buy side liquidity. But I should go for the buy. Oh man. What is it doing? What is it doing? Where it wants to go? Where it wants to go? Why I can't think that market is going for that all-time high? What is wrong with me? I don't know, guys. What is wrong with me? I just can't think that market is going for that all-time high. I just can't see any buy setup. I don't know why. I can't see any kind of buy setup. Just nothing. But I should look for the buy. But I just can't see it. Okay. Something is wrong with me. Okay, let's see if it can make a bullish fair value gap now. Yeah, I will go for that buy. That is against my, I really don't want to go for the buy, but depending on the price action, I should go for the buy if market can make a bullish fair value gap right now. I should go for the buy, but I am, I just don't want to take the buy. I just don't want to take the buy, but I should go for the buy. If I were looking for buy, for example, I would see that if I were looking for buy, okay. Now I am not interested to look for the buy, to be honest. This is the order block from 1 minute chart. This is the propulsion block from 1 minute chart. This one, okay. So I would push my button either from this order block or from this propulsion block. But I really don't know why I'm not feeling so confident to take the buy. I'm just not feeling so confident. That is so obvious. Everyone is seeing that market is going to take that all-time high. I just can't go with them. Okay, that's my problem. I am just unable to push my button for the buy. That's why I'm not pushing button for the buy. It can be my disorder. Instead, you know what I'm seeing, I'm just waiting to see that if a displacement can happen below that low. So I will see this is my market structure shift. I will take my re-entry for the sell. So see this one here. If I get a displacement to below this low, I will look for this as my sales, I mean sell setup. But I need the displacement obviously. I mean kind of huge run like that type of candle. I need that, not the Mickey Mouse move, not something like that. That is my expectation. Instead of looking for buy, I really would love to see that sell. But I should look for buy. What is scenario? Well, I will go for sell. I don't care about you guys. I would love to go for sell because I just can't go against my thinking. I would love to go for sell. It can be a wrong decision. I just don't care. But yeah, please don't judge me, okay? I am not feeling so confident to look for the buy. Instead of that, I am very much confident for looking for sell. So that's why I wanted to take the sell. I took the sell. It can be a losing trade again, but yeah, I'm okay with that. But I really would love to take the sell. Here, another 10 handle loss. I'll be happy to take that 10 handle loss. But obviously, if I get stopped out, I will catch the buy run. If market can go the displacement can go above that high with favorable gap, yeah, I will go for that buy. But until now, I am just looking for sell. I got stopped out again. So 10 and 8 handle to stop loss. But yeah, if it can go above that high with displacement with favorable gap, then I will go for that all-time high. Otherwise, I'm just not above that high. I need the displacement. Okay, good. There should be covered the breaker block, and the target should be the all-time high. So I don't know why I'm not feeling so confident that market is going over there. I'll take the partial to the area. I'm feeling like that I'm going to be chopped up again. Okay, I'm just feeling like that way. That should be the partial area around that area. Just let me show you that. I'm feeling like I'll be stopped out again because market is not going for that sunset liquidity. Sorry, that all-time high in itself. I'm feeling like that way. Let's do standard deviation. Covered this breaker block only. This one. Either way, this is the mitigation block as well. So just cover that low of that candle, up close body close candle, and I will take the sell over there. It's gonna be how much is it's going to be? Just 20 handle. If it even hit my partial, my all loss will be covered. Though I'm not confident to think that market is actually reaching over there. This is kind of situation where price action is telling me to go for buy. Okay, the price action is telling me to go for buy. My psychology is telling me not. Please don't go for the buy. Please don't go for the buy. This is kind of situation like that way. If you go for the buy, you'll be stopped out again. Instead of that, keep waiting to look for the sell. The way it is leaving the sell side liquidity here, look at this sell side liquidity. Let me mark it as a sell side liquidity. It left the sell side liquidity like that way. Here the sell side liquidity over there, here the sell side liquidity over there. So I have lot of sell side liquidity over there. Price action is telling me to go for the buy side liquidity because the last parabola from hourly chart has broken perfectly. It has broken. Market has given you a perfect market structure shift toward the buy side liquidity. It has taken the some liquidity, failed to take that extreme low. There is a fair value gap or breaker block, a lot of things over there. It is going higher for the all-time high. My market is just telling me go for that buy. My mind, my psychology is telling me don't go for that buy because everyone is seeing that market is going for that buy side liquidity. Now this is kind of situation, to be honest, it's really so difficult. In this type of situation I don't trade actually. Instead of that, I should wait for the perfect kind of perfect setup, but as I'm here already took some loss, so need to mitigate my loss, so I have to leave the price action. That's why this time I'm going to leave the price action, and yeah, let's see if it works or not. By the way, I have to cover the constant encroachment of this fair value gap, so this fair value gap constant encroachment should be covered. Now I put my stop loss too tight, but here actually I have to put my stop loss below this candle's fair value gap. This candle's fair value gap. I should put my stop loss below that area. I took my partial area over there because my loss is 10 handle and 8 handle. So 18 handle. I that is the -2 standard deviation as well. So if it can hit over there, my loss will be mitigated around that area. I would love to hold it until that all-time high. If it can go over there or not, I really don't know. But after reaching over there, if it can reach over there, I'll close my what to say. I mean, I'll just put my stop loss to the break even. That's all. This is the area where, trust me, brother. I mean, I just don't know. I can feel it that market is not going for that by all-time high. I just can feel it like that way. That's why I don't think that about the price action. At the beginning of today's stream, I told that if I say that market is going to fall, you will kill me because I wasn't feeling like that way that market is going for that all-time high. Now, this is NFP week. Everything can happen. Today is one session only. At the same time, okay, I am not going to hold it until that area. Instead of that, I will actually close the trade around that area with all of the loss. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Still, I'm seeing that market is actually showing me the Judas swing and it will fall again. I'm really afraid. If I take my entry, I don't feel afraid. But here, this this time now, I'm feeling so afraid right now. Is it going for that all-time high? Because everyone is seeing that is obvious, right? So whoever who doesn't know trading, he also tell that market is going for that all-time high. But the price action, the last parabola from hourly chart has broken. There is no barricade that can stop the price to take that all-time high. There is nothing that can stop the price to take that all-time high. But the retail trader, every single person are seeing that market is going for that all-time high. Isn't it so obvious? So obvious. I mean, I just don't know what to say. But yeah, I don't feel cool over here. I can't hold it. I just closed my trade because I can't hold it. Like this way, I can't hold it. There was the breaker block. It was safe for me, but I just can't hold it because I don't like to trade in this type of situation where my mind is telling me something, price action is telling other things. So I can't just hold my trade around that area. My blood pressure gets higher too fast. Okay, so I'll just let it go. I'm sorry, but yeah, I just can't continue this one. I hope that you will understand. I just don't want to hold it because I'm feeling pressure right now. I would love to open the chat because I need to now see the comments, negative comments. I know I'm going to get so many trolls now. It's okay, but yeah, I'm going to open the chat. So okay, Shiddu, are you from India? No, I'm not from India. So guys, do you understand my feelings? Now I would love to. It will go higher. Okay, perfect. Follow the rules. Thank you. It's okay, brother. You trade your way. Don't get influenced. Thank you, brother. I didn't see anything actually. But over here, I would love to tell you something. Okay, here the price action. The last parabolic cap has broken by that candle. What is obvious? This buy side liquidity is obvious. Everyone is seeing that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. Today is of a holiday. That means after 1 p.m. we don't have any opportunity to take that entry. Everyone is saying that is going to happen, and market is going over there. This is kind of very unusual. Depending on that price action, perfect. There is nothing wrong. Market went lower, trade that bullish fair value gap. Then it has traded that order block from 15-minute chart. After trading this order block, failed to take that extreme low, trade that entry fair value gap, gave you the market structure shift. This is the your breaker block. At the same time, here is your order block, mitigation block. Tap to this mitigation block. Perfectly, it is going higher. Depending on that price action, it's perfect. That market is going for that all-time high. When I took that entry, I'm feeling like everyone is seeing that I should not participate in that price action. Okay, tomorrow is holiday. Today is holiday. It is so obvious that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. Everyone is going to take buy. I'm just going to take that same buy with them. So yeah, I that's why I just closed that trade. Okay, because I feel so pressure over there. I can't just depend on the price action without the psychology. So over here, my psychology is telling me market should not go for that buy side liquidity. Price action is telling me market should go for that buy side liquidity. I'm in a situation where I just can't hold the trade with that much pressure. I hope that you understand. Okay, I have nothing bad to say about you, Chitu. Thank you, brother. You are amazing. You are most welcome, brother. The holiday is tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is the holiday. You learn with losses, with not with wins. It's true, brother. Copex. Brother, RR is not good about according to that price action. I was an obvious buy. Okay. Today's price action was very difficult, man. I don't think the market had any opportunities, in my opinion, that I would feel confident holding. Until now, this is the first time where market has given me the setup. This is the first time. All of this price action, no, there was nothing. Why I took that entry? I told that it's not the perfect entry. This is the inversion fair value gap. It should work at least until this relatively equal lows. It didn't work. It was extremely bullish, went higher. There was no opportunity to trade. Then I would love to take another inversion fair value gap entry over there. It didn't work. When this last fair value gap from hourly chart is broken, when it is broken, there is, depending on the price action, there is simply nothing that can hold the price to take that all-time high. Nothing that can hold the price. Now, as I told you, brother, depending on the price action, it is obvious that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. But at the same time, right now the situation, tomorrow is holiday, today is holiday. After 1 p.m., we are not able to trade. 2 days are holiday in a row. Every single person is in rush. They are going to take that all-time high. So they are going to take buy. Around 9:30 market open, went higher. Around news, market went little lower, then started to go higher. Everyone is seeing that market is going higher. Everyone is taking buy. What can I just do, brother? Tell me. I trade against the retail trader. That means the ICT traders, they actually trade against the retail trader. Now here, if I would love to trade, I have to trade with the retail traders. I just can't can't do that. That's why I closed my trade over there. Again, I told you that market is so obvious. Take that buy side liquidity. I'm just not feeling comfortable. That's all. Okay. There is nothing else I can just say, because yeah, until here, until that area, if any of you look for entry, you guys are just awesome. Okay, because you are the loser, real loser. If any of you look for the entry around that area, but here, yeah, it's so clean. Here, this one is so clean, obvious setup, perfect setup, just perfect setup over here. But as I told, I am just not feeling confident to hold it until that buy side liquidity because of my psychology. Now I will just let it go because today is not good day. I will think that okay, next day will be better. Yesterday I was expecting something. Yesterday I took a loss. Sorry, a winning trade. I took one trade only. That was the winning trade. I was looking for sell. I took a sell. That was a winning trade. Today I took two loss. Yeah, if I would hold that, my loss would be mitigated. You can see it would be perfectly mitigated. But I didn't want to hold it because it was giving me the pressure. This is my thinking. I am okay with that. Just 18 handle loss is nothing to me. I believe that in a good market price action, when I will see the good market price action, I'll be able to mitigate my loss. But the price action over here is so clean, but the psychology is so difficult around that area. So it conflicted me. The whole this price action is bullshit. So if any of you try to take buy from there, you're good to go. You're absolutely good to go. But here, whoever actually tried to trade, you guys are the ultimate loser. To be honest, you guys are ultimate loser. Okay, today's market is not for ICT traders, brother. I think so. Yeah, it's true, brother, because tomorrow is holiday and today is also holiday. Around 1 p.m. market will be closed. It's not for us, but still, we try to read the price. Okay, I just know what to say. As I told, brother, you told that nothing can stop the market. It is closed, brother. You know it. Now, I told that, brother. When it is closed, this last parallel gap is closed, it's broken, then there is nothing that can stop the price to take that buy side liquidity. Okay, it's so obvious. I told that already, okay, so many times. But at the same time, it's so obvious to all of the people. It made me conflicted. Price action is telling me to go for the buy. Retail trader are also taking the buy. What can I do around that area? Just nothing to do. Okay. Uh Gaurav Deshmukh, what do you mean Chandragatti? I don't know, brother, what you are talking. I understand your doubts about the market. Yeah, when I feel doubt, I feel blood pressure, and I don't want to hold the trade or go for the trade around that. Even if I take the entry, either I trail my stop loss too fast or I close my trade, yeah, immaturely. If I feel so so doubt, okay, after loss, the third is 80% winner, and we all close in a very small profit when reverse hit. Why did you copy my trade, Richard the Beast? Why did you do that, brother? I told that not to copy my trade, okay? I told that everything beforehand. Please don't copy my trade. You don't need to copy my trade. If you understand my logic, if you are with me for so long now, Richard, you know that this is when this parallel gap is broken from 15-minute chart. When it is broken, market is going for that buy side liquidity. That is for sure. Why I closed my trade, I explained that already so many times. I have already explained that. So you should not copy my trade, brother. Instead of that, you should go for the price action. Market giving money to retail traders. It was a accumulation. Yeah, that was the accumulation. Absolutely accumulation. And yeah, they will be triggered later. I don't know when. But this sell side liquid, that sell side liquid was so obvious to me. and I was really thinking that retail traders will be punished, but as it is showing that retail traders are actually going to be profitable today, and they're good. This is the day for them. Dude, I think you're confused. There is no holiday today. There is no holiday. No, there should be a holiday today. I mean, the top step has given me the mail. Today we have the holiday, so we can't trade after 1 p.m. If I'm not mistaken, then there should be the. I mean, after 1 p.m. we are not allowed to trade. Anybody can confirm that? Am I wrong today? It's for ICT traders. What do you mean by price was so clean? It's for ICT traders. What do you mean by price was so clean? Gaurav Deshmukh. Is there anything wrong, Katti? I really don't understand what you are talking about, guys. Holidays tomorrow. Yeah, I know holidays tomorrow, but today after 1 p.m. market is closed. So far I know. Okay. So make sure that I'm not wrong. The sell side liquidity that you marked was actually a SMT with ES broke the low there. Meanwhile, NQ didn't. Yeah, ES is SMT is different thing, brother. It needs more, what to say. I mean, more information to mark the ES. ES is not like this. So here NQ failed to break that low, but ES has taken that low. It's not like that easy. Okay, if it was that easy, I can show you 100 ES. I mean SMT that didn't work. 100 at least in that small price action. I can just show you that, brother. But SMT is something little difficult. I mean, you need more information for marking the SMT. I'm a SMT trader. If you watch my previous execution before October, you will see that I never pushed my button without SMT. But it's been a long. I don't see the SMT because it is more complicated, and it is more complicated for me to explain to you guys. Okay, it's really so difficult for me to explain the SMT. That's why I don't use the SMT. Occasionally, retail wins like today, maybe it can be. Why did you not re-enter at 1040? Is it because it's not a valid setup? 1040, let me check. 1040 here. No, as I told that I wasn't feeling good to look for the buy. That was the problem. Over here, when I took that buy, I closed my trade over there. I never do that. I mean, if you are with me for so long, you know that I let the market either hit my target or hit my stop loss. Okay, I just never close my trade. But here, this situation is different. I wasn't, excuse me, I wasn't feeling confident to let the retail trader be profitable, because just a kid can say that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. Price action is also telling me that market is going to take that on. Retail trader is going for that. So we ICT trader and the retail trader, we are at the same area. This area, if you look at this area here, market didn't take the, I mean, market has taken the liquidity. At the same time, it has traded that area perfectly. This market structure shift is not valid. It's not a valid market structure shift inside that bearish fair value gap. So in my opinion, I wouldn't look for that entry when this inversion fair value gap reverse. Instead of that, I would love to see it will fall again. I will take a resell over there. It didn't do that, I let it go. So I wasn't feeling confident to go for buy. You're correct. Okay. Okay, so today's holiday actually. So after 1 p.m. we are not going to trade the school. Correct. FOMC today. No FOMC today. Today T2 is rejecting from the 1 hour week. I don't know really. Actually, Outlander. I really don't know. The price action is telling me market is going to take that buy side liquidity. There is nothing that can stop the price. The hourly week, I don't care about that, because here I need to see the daily chart over here. Let me go to the daily chart. See this daily candle, 50%. When it is broken, just there is nothing that can going to stop this one, this high to be taken. My price action is telling me it is going to for that liquidity. At the same time, retail traders are going to be the winner. I don't want to them be winner. I don't want them to be winner. You are right. Market is closed after 1 p.m. Yeah. I knew that today's after 1 p.m. market is actually closed. You can trade, but US market will be closed. So no volume. Absolutely, brother. Bro, time to leave. Thank you. You're most welcome, brother. I did ICT concepts being trading for 5 years. Thank you, brother. Obviously it's cool. Then obviously you know what is SMT. Then I am sorry, brother. I thought that you are new. That's why I told that SMT is difficult. If you are trading ICT for 5 years, then obviously you know what is SMT. And I believe that you will be agree with me that SMT is just not, uh, low taken and market didn't take the low. It's not just that. So I hope that you will be agree with me as you are actually so long with ICT. I was not looking for the lows because on the 15-minute we manipulated into the 4-hour gap and had SMT with ES, Asia lows and overall bias is bullish. Perfect Copex, there is nothing wrong with that, brother. Just watch my first part of this stream. I told that by looking at this candle, if I say that I'm just expecting market is going to fall, you will kill me because that is not logical. From my weekly analysis, if you watch that, I told if market can close above the daily bearish fair value gap, market is going for the all-time high. Everything was perfect. The wrong thing is today's price action. Now, if today had no holiday, tomorrow had no holiday, what do you think? I would look for sell? Never ever. I wanted to go against the retail trader. So I was the liquidity today. Market would love to let them be the winner, I guess. So maybe it's going to take the all-time high. If it do that, all the retail traders are going to be the profitable today. So this is actually the trading day for them. I am the liquidity today. So until now, I never said that I'm wrong with my bias. Yeah, today I'm wrong with my bias because absolutely I didn't expect that is going to happen. I didn't want to let the retail trader win today, but they are going to be the winner today. So far it's look like that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. If it was normal day, that means we don't have any holiday. Tomorrow we don't have any holiday. What I would say, what is today? Wednesday. What Wednesday do? Take the liquidity, market structure, fair value gap, boom. What market do? Boom. This is how the Wednesday work. Now let me show it to you. This is from 1 minute chart. This is all the news candle. Just let it go. After this area, around that area, what do you see around that area? 15-minute bullish fair value gap. This is the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. I would never look for sell. After trading that area, I would say market has taken this relatively equal loss. Fail to take that on, no problem. Here, this market structure shift not valid, no problem. I would wait for more. Over there, either way, this is the only buy. Except this one, there is no other buy. I would look for buy. Every single fair value gap, I would expect that market is going to break all of them. All of the market is going to break and it is going for that all-time high. But as we had the holiday today, we have the holiday today and tomorrow, I just can't let them be profitable. The retail trader, I'm so selfish. I just can't let them be profitable. That's why I wasn't looking for buy. I wasn't looking for narrative. I wasn't looking for anything. I was just working with my psychology. That's all. Here the psychology is market is going for that all-time high. Every single person can see that. I just don't want to be part of that run. When I took that sell over there, now if I ask you guys, was there any setup? Perfect. Market structure shift, fair value gap trade, market is falling. Was there any sell setup? No, I told that this is the inversion fair value gap. If it worked, I'm gonna be hugely profitable as I was looking for sell. Here, this one, was there any market structure? Just simply tell me, was there any market structure shift? This low has been shifted over there. Just this low. No, it didn't shift. Market trade over there. Should I go for that trade? No, I should not go for that. Why I went for that trade? Because I didn't want to let the retail trader be profitable. If I were alone, trust me, I would take sell over there here. This buy, I wouldn't take that buy. I would take sell. I would love to take sell from there again. Because still I am believing that market is going to fall and market is actually reaching at least for this sell side liquidity until this daily fair value. Still now I'm looking for this because I don't want the retail trader to be profitable. This is stubborn, something like that, because of the price action. Sorry, because of the psychology. The price action also clean. Here, the price action with the what to say, I mean the psychology, there is a confliction, and that conflicted stop me, just stop me. That's all. Brother, are you saying retail traders have so much power to move the market? Retail traders doesn't have the power to move the market even for one tick. Now, I can give you just one simple example. You will understand that buying and selling pressure, there is nothing called buying and selling pressure. When Bitcoin was going up, remember, Bitcoin was going up. Suddenly, there was a crash. I mean, it was maybe last year. So far, I remember last year or the in 2020. I don't remember exactly when, but when Bitcoin was on in the sky, and suddenly it started to fall. When market was going higher, what do you think? Who was going to take sell? Nobody is going to take sell. Every single one was going to buy, 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 buy. So there was only the buying pressure. So why market fall? If market move with buying pressure and selling pressure, then why market fall after that big move? You can say that big bank, I mean bigger bank than his fund, they started to take sell. That means you want to tell me that all the bigger banks and his fund has an communication. Brother, I'm going to take sell now, you should take sell now, you should take sell now, you should take sell now, like that. Then which money they're going to take? We retail trader, we are spending little money. For example, $1,000, $10,000, $5,000, 1 lakh, I mean $100,000, maybe maximum $1 million. Do you really think this market is going for $1 million? It's going for billion dollar, and this dollar come from big bank and the hedge fund. So they never share the information that I'm going to take sell, so please take the sell. No. So when market is going higher, what do you think? Who is going to take the sell? Nobody. Everyone is going to take the buy. When Bitcoin is going up to the sky, then suddenly it fall. It just fall dramatically. Why it happened? Because it's not buying and selling pressure. It's all about the algorithm. That one example, I got it from ICT, obviously. That one example made me clear that there is nothing called as buying pressure or the selling pressure. This is all algorithmic. I just don't want to see that market is going to take that all time high, because every single person is seeing market is going over there. The retail trader, they're taking buy. Market is falling, they're taking buy. They're buying in a cheap price now. It is falling, they're taking buy. I don't want them to be profitable. That's why it's difficult for me. Price action is telling me that market is going for that all time, I mean all time high. Price action is just telling me that. The psychology is telling me, no man, no man, no man, please don't go, don't go, don't go. And I'm in a situation where I really don't have anything to do except watching the price. Totally, this week price action is confusing. This is NFP week, non-farm payroll week. This week price action always will be confusing. Always. In your life, how many NFP week you will see? You will see the confusing price action. Always remember that. That's why ICT told avoid trading around the NFP week. Avoid trading. If you are overzealous, then you can trade until Wednesday morning session. No entry is valid from Wednesday PM session to until 8:30 a.m. in Friday. Until that area, there is no entry is valid. Okay, but NFP week always avoidable. You should avoid NFP week. Okay, cool. Okay, SMT divergence. Use Google Lord FX. SMT, yeah, smart money technique. SMT is actually not the meaning of SMT is a smart money technique. Yeah, it's the divergence, but the real meaning of SMT is a smart money technique. So I don't know to whom you are telling to use the Google, but whoever you are telling, I am just telling you SMT. It's the meaning of smart money technique, and we use that for divergence. We look for the divergence by SMT. Before I leave, can you please explain how to handle the NFP week by trading days? You should not trade in NFP week. If you are overzealous, you can trade until Wednesday morning, as I told. And from Wednesday PM session to until 8:30 a.m. in Friday, no entry is valid. I would like the market to go to take 291 sell side from there. If you tell me, brother, yeah, to be honest, I would also look like I would love to see that market will fall. Okay, I would also would love to see that, but it's nearly impossible to fall. That is only possible if market can make a bearish fair cap now from 15-minute chart. Then maybe it is possible, because to be honest, I don't want to see that market is going to take that all-time high, because every single person is going to be profitable then. What about GameStop? What do you mean by GameStop, Danny? What is that? So it can't be the retail traders who are pushing the market to the all-time high. No, it's not the retail. They're pushing the market to the all-time high. Someone has subscribed to my channel, I guess. Do you take turtle soup or inducement trade? No MSS fair value cap. I don't do the turtle soup, but I don't need the MSS. I have another setup which is valid for taking entry. Okay. Someone has donated me some money, but it's not showing over there. I guess something is wrong. I mean, there was just something else jumping over there. I really don't know what is that. I need to work with this. Yeah, we'll see. Do you take turtle soup? I don't take it. Thank you, brother. You are most welcome. Smart money trap. No, smart money technique. Technique. Smart money technique. Okay. Please can you give a breakdown of how you learn the ICT lower time frame? Because I understand the higher time frame, because I'm struggling with lower time frame. Are there any specific ICT videos do you watch? No, I didn't watch any specific video, Chris. Can you go to my YouTube channel, and over there is a video that is called 15 minute to 1 minute. Okay, if you watch that one, I guess that you will get some idea. Yo mama, how are you doing? I'm fine, man. How are you? Just my ear is just, you know, little difficult, is in little difficult situation. I'm looking for 10-20 handle move above the all-time high for a possible retracement entry. I was just talking about that, brother. I was just talking about that. Okay, it's so clean according to the price action that market is going to take that all-time high. At the same time, it's so clean for the people to look that market is going for that all-time high. That means that all the retail traders, they're taking the buy. I don't want them to be profitable, but because the reason is today's holiday. As today's holiday, that's why I'm not interested to look for that buy. But price action is telling me that market is going to take that buy. Here, see this fair value gap now. I was just talking about that, Mama. I am not. I just took. I just don't want to see that market is going to take that buy side liquidity because of the retail trader. Okay, it made me confused. I'm not going to trade around that area. Technique, yeah, absolutely technique. Thank you, Crown, for make it clear for Rabi. Buys cannot get through iceberg. Market is going down. If it if it fall, I'll be very happy, because I don't want to see that market will go and take that all-time high. As we have the opportunity to stay here until 1, I will stay here until 1, and we will see if it can fall or not. No entry is valid. I mean, today's lunch hour is cool. Okay, we can trade around the lunch hour today, because we don't have the lunch hour today actually. 290 on sell side. I have called it earlier. I'm still calling it. 291. 291. Oh man, if it reach over there, I'll be very happy to see that. To be honest, brother. AA trades. I would really love to see that if market fall over there. But here I have just no opportunity to take sell without the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. And To be honest, I don't want to take the sell because price action is telling me market is going higher for that all-time high. That is obvious. Market is going to do that. But at the same time, I am just unable to frame the sell setup. Simple. Sorry, the buy setup because of the retail concept. Do wait for a minute 15 bearish fabrica before even finding a short entry in this type of bull run. Do you wait for a minute 15 bearish fabric gap before even finding a short entry? I mean, here the price action is telling me, oh, sorry, here the price action is telling me that market is going for that all-time high. Simply, price action is telling me that. So I actually don't, I'm not interested to look for sell at all. Not interested to look for sell. The way I explained this parallel gap, when it is broken, there is nothing that can stop the price to take that all-time high. I am just not interested to take the buy because if market take that one, all the retail trader will be profitable. Why I'm thinking like that way? The reason is today is holiday. After 1 p.m. there is no trading. Tomorrow is holiday. Simply that is the reason I'm not interested to see that. But if you ask me, brother, what the price action is telling, listen to him. I just can't do that because first psychology, then price action. So my psychology is telling me don't go for that buy. Where would you look for pullback long? I'm not looking for long, brother. See this bull. I mean, if I were looking for long, look at this travel gap from 15-minute chart. If I were looking for long, okay, see this 15-minute bullish travel gap. Press tapped over there, no problem. I also don't need that one. It has taken some liquidity. There is any market structure shift, travel gap. I would go for that buy. Here, market structure shift will be valid if market can go above that high. Then the market structure shift will be valid. If market fail to go above that high, market structure shift is not valid. Yeah, it's not valid. So either way, if I were looking for buy, I would wait for this thing. Market tap to this constant crossman, no problem. I would wait if market can go above that high. Then if there is a fair value cap, I would take my entry over there. I would go for that buy side liquidity. I'm not interested to look for that buy. Okay, guys, it's a very good session to talk to you guys. It's really so cool, okay, to talk to you guys without the price action. So I think that it's gonna be very fun. Let's talk a little bit, okay? Problem is we are running out of time for 291. Yes, man. As I told you, that is my just expectation that please go over there. I can just request the market to go over there. But price action is telling me market is going to take that buy side liquidity. Simply it's telling me that I'm going to take that buy side liquidity. Sorry, the all-time high. That's all. Yeah, we are running out of time. That is SMT with those lows at 291. Yes, took the lows. Here, you don't need mini S&P or any other chart except the dollar index. You just don't need any other chart to trade Nasdaq except dollar index because you will have to have some kind of idea what is happening in the market. Uh, so that's why you need the dollar index. Except dollar index, this mini S&P, Dow, Nvidia, then any other market, you don't need it. This week you have seen that I was little wrong about my direction, about my something. I mean, from in Monday I was absolutely good. Tuesday and Wednesday, I mean yesterday, I was wrong. This what was that? Yeah, this run. Yesterday I was wrong from here to here. I was absolutely wrong to that run. I was right until that area, then I was wrong until that area, and that area. Today, as I told, it is so obvious that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. I don't want to see that because of that psychology. I have already explained that. But if you look at the price action, depend on the price action, yeah, it's simple that market is going for that buy side liquidity. Simply, uh, just 10 years old boy can see that market is going for that buy side liquidity. Either way, This week is different. We have two holidays. We have NFP. This is the NFP week. Until 8:30, market is going to do some unpredictable things. So yeah, you have to understand that part as well. T2 GameStop case was a clear retail trader evidence of manipulation in market. Okay, is that I mean something I have to watch in YouTube? If it is, then I will watch it in YouTube. GameStop. Okay. Retail needs to be profitable. Yeah, there is sometimes. Yeah, absolutely. There needs to be profitable sometimes. I guess today is the day for them. I guess. Okay, I'm not sure yet. Still, now I'm thinking that market is going to fall. I mean, I know it sounds crazy, but still now I'm thinking that market will fall dramatically before the lunch hour or around the lunch hour. That's why I will stay here until 1 p.m. and we will see what is going to happen. Here, no price action is going to work. I'm not thinking about the price action. To be honest, I'm not seeing any kind of price action. I am just looking for the expectation. With my expectation, it should run. Okay, we are building liquidity for NFP. Yeah, I know we are building the liquidity for NFP. We have the sell side liquidity. It just need to make the buy side liquidity. So yeah, it can be happen. It can just make that relatively equal highs, and it can left it right now. Then it can fall. The problem is the holiday. Okay, tomorrow is the holiday. Today is half day. That is the problem. Everything messed up. Today you didn't explain dollar index. I don't need to explain dollar index because today is half day. Again, tomorrow is holiday. Today's price action, I never thought that it would respect the price action. I never thought like that way. I thought it's gonna work with the what to say, I mean uh with psychology. I thought like that way. Okay. Gift me membership. I won't sleep early and will come in your life. Hi Ketan, how are you? How are you, brother? Hey Raul, thanks for what, brother? Okay, why it is coming sometimes? I really don't know. Is that subscription or some kind of things? I need to check it again. Outlander, my card was broken. One international transactions I will buy as soon as I'm able to. I'm just kidding. Hey, brother, it's okay. Did you don't know what the GameStop sequence is? No, I don't know, Andy. I really don't know. Freddy's member system. Yeah, guys, thank you, Peter, for reminding me. If you see my pin post, the members of my channel, don't forget that Friday 1:30 p.m. New York local time, we are going to a members only live streaming. Make sure that you have joined over there. But if you join there just for expecting to take some entries, you will be disappointed. That is going to be perfect price action reading. Okay, so whatever I have done already in my YouTube channel, I'm going to make it much more cleaner to you so that you can understand how to use those information in real chart, in real market. Okay, so yeah, that's all. So make sure that you didn't miss that. Today's highs and lows will be run on Friday. This is for sure. Ah, it seems like that, brother. It seems like that. 750 not buy iceberg on S&P. It's me 750 lot buy iceberg on S&P. By the way, guys, what is that actually? I mean, is that a series or something? GameStop move in early 2021. Many people make millions just buying on a specific day and on a specific time. Oh, okay. So is that a series or movie, something like that, brother? Please take a look at GameStop move. GameStop move in early 2021. I will take a screenshot and I will try to watch it. Friday I will join late. 1:30 is Jumma time here. Oh, okay, Will. Okay, then no worries. You will be able to watch the part you will miss. No worries about that. Okay. I'm sorry, guys, but I will stay until 1 p.m. and I will say GameStop is a stock. GameStop is a stock. So should I search it on YouTube? Just tell me that. What's your favorite forex pair? Euro USD. It's a big company. Okay. I will search it on YouTube. GameStop. Okay. Market is very near for the buy side. Really, I will cry if you take that buy side liquidity. I will really cry because you don't know how many people are going to be profitable by that run. It's just no idea. Okay. But I have your PayPal account to transfer your money on the regular basis. I am not going to be a member. You already know my opinion. Yeah, I know. Can I still take part in your member session as well? It's not about your money, Frank and Fruity. I mean, to be honest, I really don't know if I can invite you. I mean, I should do that or not. And I it's not about the money. So don't say like that way. You will keep sending me money. Please don't say like that way. Okay. It seems like I'm doing that for your money, and I will feel very down if you think like that way. Okay. But I did that members only to appreciate those people who are appreciating me for so long now. Okay, that's why I am interested to do that. But I really want to make that only for the members. I'm sorry if you think I'm rude. I'm extremely sorry, but I really would love to do that only for the members. Okay. uh, I know you have the problem. I know everything. I believe that. I just don't know what to say. I just don't know. Okay. I'm extremely sorry, but don't say like that way, then I will feel like very dumb that I'm just asking money for teaching something. Please don't say like that way. There is even a movie about GameStop case. Oh, okay. I will watch them. GameStop Corporation. Okay, I will watch them. I didn't know that, Danny. Thanks for that that brother. I will obviously watch that. Okay. Short sequence refers to a significant uh GameStop in January 2021. They made a movie based on that. I'm appreciating you via people. Yeah, thanks for that, man. But I hope that you will understand my situation as well. Okay, so I'm extremely sorry. Don't say me like that way, man. I'm extremely sorry. Okay, I believe that nobody will complain because these guys are just okay. It has taken the all-time high. It has taken the all-time high perfectly. So after breaking this hourly bearish fair value gap, that was obvious that market is going to take that all-time high because there is nothing, no barricade, no obstacle that could stop the price to take that all-time high. At the same time, as I explained, if there is no holiday tomorrow, if there is no holiday today after 1 p.m., I will be looking for only buy. I would look for only buy. If you watch my weekly analysis video, you have seen that over there. I told that if this fair value cap is broken, this daily bearish fair value cap has broken, that means body closed above this bearish fair value cap. I will go for that buy side liquidity for the all time high. Nobody can stop me for that. Because of this today's price action, I mean situation, I was looking for sell. Okay, so yeah, except that on the price action was cool after that area, so no entry is valid before this area. Any of you try to trade around that area, you are a perfect gambler. I am giving you the certificate. I'm telling you that you are perfect gambler. You will never be a consistent profitable trader, never ever. Yes, sometimes you will be able to catch some move, but the very next day you will blow your account. That's for sure. But here, that was perfect. Okay, I mean that run was perfect until this bicep equity. Now let's see how far it can reach. Okay. Guys, make sure that you have given me the likes. A lot of people are watching, but still not likes. Just 1 or 2 days are bad. That doesn't mean that I am a bad trader or I'm a bad explainer of this market. Okay, just don't sell. Don't think like that way. This is either way. This is the NFP week. We have some kind of mental situation over here today, and also the yesterday. I'll just let it go. Simple. It can happen. Sometimes shit happens. I don't need to be right every single day. Until yesterday, I am near about 15 days. I was right about my direction in a row. 15 days. Watch my last 15 streaming. You will see that I was perfectly correct about my direction. But last day, yesterday and today also I didn't depend on the price action. The reason I explained. But yesterday, yeah, yesterday I was wrong because I was thinking that market is going to fall after taking the buy side liquidity, and I explained what happened over there by my last video. So please watch that video. You will understand what happened over there. I had an explanation over there. It's not an excuse. It's not an excuse. It's the price action fact. Watch that one. You will understand. Trailing stop loss with 1:3. Let's go. Hey, your analysis was bang on. Okay. Thank you, brother. SK trades. Everything was cool, but the only problem happened is my psychology. I was thinking I don't want to let the retail trader to be profitable. I didn't want them to be profitable, but sometimes they need to be profitable as well. It's cool. I'm just taking a break for 2 minutes. So after I would love to stay here until 1 p.m. So if anyone would love to leave, you can leave, brother, because I would love to say how it is going to close today. The reason is we are going to get another opportunity to trade after 8:30 in Friday. So I need to make sure that I'm in a right position so that I will be able to predict what is going to happen in Friday. So I will wait here until 1 p.m. At the same time, if any of you are new, you can subscribe to my channel. Don't judge me by today, and please don't do that. If you subscribe, you will learn a lot. Okay. So I'll be back within 2 minutes. Just give me 2 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back. I really would love to see how it closed today around 1 p.m. If anyone trying to get some move, please don't do that. Due to profit or loss, the only way I can learn is for the explanation from you. Thank you for that. Hey Nicolo, thanks man. It's going higher. By the way, guys, if is there anyone who actually trade real money? Anybody here who actually trade real money? Tamimi, YouTube takes 30% to 45%. Okay, just let it go. Is there anyone who is trading real money actually? Frankenfruit, me. Okay, it's me. You also trading real money? Are you trading on a past account? No. Yeah, admin, yes. My own account. Okay, I'm trading on Apex. Okay, funded Copex. Okay, yes, own personal account. If genius. Okay, so some of you actually, any of you copy my trade? Any of you? Do you copy my trade? I did Asia Open. You are a pro trader, Pat. You can trade anytime. Mama. Oh, by the way, I would love to show you something. I can't just stop showing that to you. Streamlabs. I mean, I really thanks to all for that. Sometimes if they also make sense to me too. Okay, that's cool. Welcome to my channel, SK Trades. Welcome to my channel, brother. Welcome to your channel, not mine. Actually, it's not my channel. It's your channel, brother. Sometimes if that makes sense, yeah, if it makes sense with your analysis, then cool. But don't blindly follow me. Please don't do that. Where was that? Tipping. It's not over there. Where is it actually? Dashboard. I really don't know how to show that. Analytic. Yeah, I guess it is that. For the first day, $28, man. It's huge. Seriously, it's huge, man. Thanks to all for that, man. Thanks to all. Okay. Yeah, it's showing over here $28. Thanks to all for that appreciation, man. I really love that. I do not copy anybody trades, brother. I trade only when my setup forms though. Absolutely. I love you, brother. I love you so much, man. I love you so much. Thanks, man. You're most welcome. No, I just came in and understood that we had the same long plan, but I wasn't sure why you did not enter, brother. I explained that, I mean, maybe 5 times now. I have I have already explained that. Okay. So yeah, this is absolutely good, man. Thanks to all for this support. Okay, to be honest, thanks to all. Okay, I got a subscribe. Sorry, member. Hey, welcome, Midas SM. Make sure that you have given me the penguin, brother. Okay, make sure that you have given me the penguin. and you can see I have got 6472 subscriber. To be honest, is awesome. I mean, just awesome, awesome, awesome. It is beyond my expectation. Trust me. Thank you so much to all of you guys, whoever actually subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Someday when I make enough money, will support you, man. You look like a genuine person. Okay, man. Every single one of you, I would love to tell you that I'm just showing this. I'm sharing my everything. Okay, I'm sharing everything to you guys. I don't have anything to hide. Just nothing to hide from you. I don't care about that. That doesn't mean you have to pay me or you have to send me something. No, man, it's not like that way. You, every single of you are good to go over here. So make sure that, I mean, you are not thinking that I'm asking money from you. Please don't think like that way. The guys who actually took the subscription, I mean, sorry, the membership, I believe that they love me. That's why they took the membership. Trust me. Before the last streaming, let me go over there to the content live. Where's that? See this content members only. This is the only content I did for the member. But as I mean, as I have some members and they should get something special. Okay, little special, they should get something. That's why I'm doing this membership stream, maybe once in a week, just once in a week, every Friday PM session, the members only stream. And over there I will try to give them something more deeper, so that they can be on the track. Okay, so something like that. Not the same way I'm doing this live. No, it's not going to be the same way over there. It's not anything about the setup. It's all about the price action. It's all about the deeper learning. So this thing I'm just doing before this day. Okay, 26th June, I never did anything for the member. As they should deserve something, I'm doing this for them. That's just for that. Okay, my membership is just for $2.99, I guess, or $2.99 maybe. The lowest one is just $2.99. I didn't even put the huge amount, so that it's just 89 rupees, 89 Indian rupees. Okay, not even 100 rupees. So it's so cheap. But still, they should, they're supporting me. I should do something for them. It's like some kind of boundness. I'm feeling like that way. They should get something. If I go to my membership, I'd love to show you the members now. Okay, I really love to. Okay, the total members is near about 57 member. Just look at this 57 member out of just how many? I mean, 6,000 subscriber. Out of 6,000 subscriber, I got 57 member. I don't know. I guess it's not huge, but for me, it's more than huge, because my expectation was, even if I get some members, I will get maybe 5 to 10 people, because as I don't want your money, and people are not going to give me my money, give me their money. It's gonna be 5 to 10 people. It's okay. But here I got 57 members. Now it's actually more than my expectation. And over here, this thing, $28 appreciation, unbelievable. Okay, unbelievable. Thanks to all. Okay, thanks to Peter again for this awesome headphone. I believe that you guys can hear me now perfectly clearly. There is nothing wrong. I mean, no sound problem or something like that. There is nothing like that. Thanks to Peter. Okay, because of his awesome gift. Thank you, brother. Okay, no, I'm only interested in learning. Then maybe I can take my own trades. That's cool, brother. So yeah, obviously, if you are here for learning, I promise you, brother, today or tomorrow you will be an independent trader. You don't need to come again to my stream. Never. You don't need to come back. Never ever. Okay. Thank you, Midas. My Midas for SM for that penguin man. I love the penguin. I'm just waiting, okay, to see how the market closed today. This was the all-time high. I'm going to remove all of this fair value gap from there, and you can see every fair value gap market has respected. This bullish fair value gap respected. What is that? That candle. What is that candle? After taking this sell side liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap trade. What is that? Down close candle. This is your order block. Tap to this order block, went higher. Fair value gap, tap to this fair value gap, went higher. It was perfectly went higher. The only problem was tomorrow is holiday, today is holiday. That's why I wasn't able to frame any kind of buy setup. If you watch my weekly analysis video, I have uploaded in Sunday. Over there, I clearly told that. Clearly, I told over there. Just watch it, okay? If you think that I am telling you lie, please watch it. If this fair value gap is broken, one candle can close above that fair value gap. I will only look for that all-time high. This all-time high is going to be triggered if one candle can close above this fair value gap. It closed above that fair value gap, market went for that all-time high. Simply, it went higher. At the same time, I explained why I wasn't feeling confident to trade. Sometimes it happens. Stay on the green. Okay, I will try, brother. It seems like I got another member, SK Trades. Thank you, brother, and welcome to the member zone. Make sure that you have given me my penguin. Okay, make sure that you have given me my penguin. Please give me my penguin. Okay, it's fair they get something exclusive. Thank you, Tamimi, for understanding, brother. Thank you so much, brother. Thanks for your support, man. Yes, it is fair they get something. Okay, it is in the chat on Discord. Oh, okay, I will see that outline after the session. Indeed, you are investing your lifetime in teaching, so it's perfectly normal for us to support you. Okay, thank you, Frank and Fruity. Thank you, man. By the way, what is your real name? Frank and Fruity? I don't think so. That's your real name. So can you tell me your real name, brother? No, that's true. There should be members stream, man. There's nothing wrong in it. Good job. Thank you, SK Trades. Thanks for understanding, brother. Traded all-time high trades. Oh, okay. Tito, maybe you throw in a large picture too. Okay. You are more than welcome. No problem, Peter. Will price bounce to 2400? What do you guys think? Right now, I'm not thinking anything. I'm just watching the price, how it is going to close after half an hour. I'm trailing my stop loss, man. I'm one. Why you are not closing your trade, SK Trades? It's too much. Why you are trying to catch the extreme high? I mean, the last run. I mean, if you have already taken the partial and you trailed your stop loss, then it's cool. Just let the rest go, how far it can go. But the last hour can be reversal. Sorry, the last half an hour, it can be the reversal. So make sure that you are not going to be take small losses. Instead of that, it's huge, more than huge. Let's go. Wait a second. Why you don't have the wick on that daily fair value gap candle? It's on the trading view or even on my domestic chart. Wait a second. Why you don't have the wick on that daily fair value gap candle? What did you say? Gemma? Acha. Mama, there was a wick here. I have the wick over there. I mean, if you are talking about that week. Yes, yes, I took my partial at 15-minute high itself. Oh, okay, then it's cool. So I have the week. I guess you are talking about that week. I mean, in that time, maybe my mouse was over there. That's why you didn't see. I have the week over there. What a day, man! It was a very nice day. If there was no holiday, oh, how beautiful the day would be. It's okay. Now to look it in trading view. আমি দিবানি আম্মা আমি দিবানি আমি দিবানি সমস্যা নেই Oh, okay. So you are talking about that week. Mm, okay. I have no idea why I don't have that. Let me actually check. I have no idea why I don't have that. I have no idea. Okay. I'm seeing the chart like that way. Now, did I do something wrong? Why I don't have that? To be honest, why I don't have that? If I mark the fair value cap like that way, is it okay? More okay? I mean, can anyone confirm me that? Is it the high of that fair value cap is 20,127.50? Is that the high of that fair value cap? 20,127.50. Anyone can we confirm that 20,127.50 is the high of that daily fair value cap or not? Because if I'm not mistaken, there is something wrong actually. So it's little different. Yeah, okay, have three candle green. Actually, not like that. Don't use top step chart. I think it's buggy. Okay, then next week I will start to use the trading view chart then. Then I have to add the trade of it again. Oh man, I feel like whenever I add it, I feel like I should trade again. Outlander, and you sent Tito that great microphone. He comes in one YouTube, which is really nice. Sound, good sound, and thank you. 20127 is the high. 20127 is the high. 20127. Okay, so this is the real fair gap, right? I mean 20127 and 20086.00. That is the real fair gap, right? By the way, guys, when I am almost at the end of my stream, where why I'm getting subscriber right now, I'm really little confused now. I guess I saw that I had near about 71 subscriber. I got four more subscriber when I'm not even talking about the price section. Now I'm getting some subscriber. I'm confusing now. I'm not getting confused, man. I turn on my BD adjust in trading view and it works very smoothly. That means you are using the NQ1 maybe. That means a running contract because you don't need to add that BD adjust because if you use NQU, you don't need to adjust your B. Okay, whatever. I guess this is now the real, I mean, the right parabolic gap. If that is the real parabolic gap, why I marked it that over there? I mean, where is my weak? I really don't know. Sometimes it happens. It's okay. Just let it go. Either way, this parabolic gap is no for use, no use. I mean, it has no use actually. Okay, when I told that I have got 5 subscribers, two guys just unsubscribed me immediately. Oh brother, no, you don't want to. We don't want to stay with you. Okay, no problem. There's an extra green candle. I don't know what is happening, but it's okay. Yeah, even the NQ has the high of 20127, brother. I'm still in the trade, man. It's not taking me out. It's going to give you huge profit, I guess, brother. You shouldn't have told them. Still, two people are still here who actually didn't listen anything about the price section but subscribe to my channel. I'm just wasting my time. I mean, sorry, not my time. I'm wasting your time because I'm not talking about the price section. As I told that, I'm just reading your comment. I'm just staying here to see how market is going to close at the end of today. Okay, so around 1 p.m. how it is going to close around 1 p.m. Okay, that's why. If any of you would love to leave the session, you can leave it. Okay, I'm just not going to talk even a single word about the price action. I'm done with my price action reading. Let me check it for you, SK trades. How far you can be safe? Let me check it. Okay, you are already in a great danger. Let me check it to week as it is at the all-time high. Yeah, you are already in great danger because it has already taken minus 1.5 standard deviation. It can reverse anytime. I believe so. So make sure that your stop loss is too tight. Stoic Jack, can someone give me the link to learn price action with the? You can't do that, Stoic. I mean, that is the only members only stream. Okay, so only the members they will be able to watch that on. As you are not the member, you won't be able to watch that video, brother. Okay, that's the only video you won't be able to watch. And from next Friday there will be another one video which is going to be only members only video. So the members will be able to watch that one, brother. Make sure who took the membership today, brother, please watch that video, members only video. Okay, please watch that video perfectly, take notes. I have given there some gems that is gonna be more useful. You never find that on. You will see that 95% of the time it happens over there. 95% of the time you will get that in live. Okay, I have just explained one thing in my Twitter. Otherwise, please make sure that you have watched all the video and you have taken a lot of notes from there. Please, it's a request. Whoever taken uh, the membership, please make sure that you have watched everything, please, and must take the notes. Must take the notes. Yes, I will do that. Thank you. No problem, brother. As I told that I am not going to talk about the price action, I should not talk about the price action. I should keep looking for that. Finally out with 1:7. Congratulations, man, for that huge. Okay, joining now. Okay, brother. This minus 1.5 standard deviation is a strong support level. This minus 1.5 standard deviation is a very strong support level. Talk, talk. Brother Tito, I can't find that video of 50 minute to 1 minute price action in your video. Please give me the link. See this one, ICT strategy 15 minute chart direction for 1 minute execution part 2. 15-minute chart direction and 1 minute for execution part 1. These two video, please watch these two video, brother. You will get that to the trade analysis in my playlist. In my playlist in trade analysis, you will get these two video. It will help you to understand little bit how to use the higher time frame and lower time frame all together. Okay, so please watch these two video. Tahir, brother, I hope that you will find that now. All of my members knows let me remove this one. All of my members knows this order block. Please nobody push your button. Please don't push your button. Okay, I'm just trying to spend little time over here until the closing, and I would love to see how it is going to close around that area. Okay, so I would love to spend the finishing of today's live until the market will close. So my members who has joined to my live, they knows about this order block. Thanks guys, you all are awesome. Thank you brother, you are also awesome. Oh, by the way, I need this variable cap actually. If I ask you, can you tell me what should you look for here after seeing this big up run? What should you look for? If you would love to frame a sell setup, what should you look for? Absolutely. Bearish fair value gap. 50-minute bearish fair value gap. Market close at 1 p.m. today, right? Yeah, it's going to close around 1 p.m. Market is not going to close actually, but the dollar index is going to be closed. So if dollar index is closed, then market will be there will be no volatility. So market will have no volatility. That's all. After seeing this big move, if you just believe on 1 minute setup, 90% of the time you will be punished. 90% of the time. Here, this is actually time and the price. Now, market when is going to close around 1 p.m. This is the last hour, last half an hour, where you should think about this. It should think about this. Okay, sorry, not here. This thing. This is small manipulation. It should fall little bit, then close around that area. As market is not going to close around 1 p.m., it's gonna be open, but the dollar index is not going to be there, I guess. So I I, I just don't want to think about anything over here. But this is the most probable thing over here. This small portion. So this high, that is going to be your that small portion. That means something like that. something like that. I'm expecting something like that. Open, low, high, low, close. I want to say market will go through this fair value gap. See this bullish fair value gap, it should go through that bullish fair value gap. If it can fall, then it should go through that fair value gap, because this is the only fair value gap that can hold the price, send it back above the breaker block. So above this breaker block, this fair value gap can send the market above that breaker block. So I would love to see market will go through this fair value gap and it will keep falling. As this one failed to be a order block, I would love to mark this highest up close body close candle as my order block. After that one, this is the order block. And why that is the order block, you know that better than me. If you are the member of my channel, you know that better than me. For 11.25 and reverse. For 1125, for 1125 and 1125. Yep, it was absolutely over there. Perfectly over there, mama. Until 1 minute back, I guess. Yep, it can be, but here this relatively equal loss is also awesome. Breaker block, order block, liquidity. Why it is going to fall? As I told, first time, then price. If you know the PO3, open, low, high, can you go for this trade? If and only if you know that this is the last time where market is going to close, then the last hour you will start to expect that thing. But did I frame my trade from 1 minute chart? No, it didn't falling from a random level. This is the minus 1.5 standard deviation. This is minus 2 standard deviation. In between, this is the 50% of that standard deviation. 50%. It tapped to the 50%. It should fall now. Obviously, this is your consecutive order block. So let me mark them. This is your consecutive order block. The low, the open, and the min threshold of that consecutive order block. Any of this level can hold the price, send it back for this sell side liquidity and that area. That doesn't mean you are going to take this entry. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Okay. Instead of that, watch the fun over here. This highest up close body close candle is also the order block. This is the consecutive order block. I would love to mark the consecutive order block opening. But if you want to mark that one as well, because it reached until that area, there is nothing wrong. You can also mark that one. Over here, see this area, I took my first entry today. Remember, I took my sell over there. I got a stopped out over there. And I told that if market can close below that fair value gap, I would love to take re-entry. I am talking about here. Here, remember? I took sell. I got a stopped out. I told that if market can close below that fair value gap one more time, I'm going to take the re-entry over there. Now, for example, I took the 70 over there. When this one is broken, I took re-entry. Maybe I got stopped out. Maybe, okay. When this candle close below this fair value gap, I would love to take re-entry over there. My stop loss is going to be the same area. This is my liquidity. Just don't take the entry, okay? Take the fun. Here, it's the fun. I'm going to remove this standard deviation because in my opinion, I have already explained that things. It has taken this liquidity. See, this relatively equal loss has taken. I don't know you can see it or not. This is that logic. The same logic. I would love to push my button over there for the first time. When it tapped to this fair value gap, I'm already in the market. Where is going to be my stop loss? Now let me tell you the truth. I would love to put my stop loss above that high. Above that high. I will put my stop loss over there. So I would be stopped out over here. Here I would be stopped out. Market retest, I mean fall again. I am already in the market again. Same area my stop loss. This is my partial. I would love to keep holding my trade until it's not stopped me out. I will trail my stop loss to first, and until it stopped me out, I will just look for that things. Over here, this is my breaker block. High, low, higher, high. This is the low of that breaker block. This is the high of that breaker block. Then the order block. This is just a special for the members. Whatever. It tapped to this order block perfectly. Now, if you would love to mark the highest one, there is nothing wrong. To be honest, there is nothing wrong, but you have to expect that market is actually going to reverse from the consecutive order block. The consecutive order block. So, if you would love to mark this one, there is nothing wrong as well. I would love to mark this one as my order block. After trading this order block, at the same time, this inversion fair value gap, market is falling. This is your first area where you should take the partial. If you don't take the partial, you are in a big problem. Brother, why you are framing your trade without the 15-minute fair value gap? I told you, remember? This thing should be done right now, the last hour. I told SK Trades, I don't remember, I don't know SK Trades you remember or not. Brother, it's time to close your trade because the last hour is going to be the reversal. Okay, if you remember or not, I told you that the last hour is going to be the reversal. Oh, you took an L there. I was bullish there because I got trapped into the four purple gap 15-minute, but since the price action choppy, I didn't enter the. Oh, it's cool. 5-minute CISD was what I was referring, and it was confirmed by 1-minute purple gap. That's cool, mama. I don't go to 5-minute chart. You know that, man. This is gonna be low resistance liquidity run. It should be something like clean, okay? Because market should fall a little bit now until 1 p.m. Okay, this is gonna be okay. T2 liquidity from 1 minute. Absolutely, this is the liquidity relatively equal lows. That should be your partial area. That's you just can't let your trade go without taking the partial over there. You just can't do that. Then, if you're overzealous, you can mark this fair value gap. If you are overzealous, you can hold your trade until this fair value gap. At the same time, remember this is also a 50-minute bullish fair value gap. The constant crossment of that 50-minute bullish fair value gap is extremely strong. Why? Because this fair value gap to that leg, specific leg, this is the last fair value gap. So its 50% can be the strongest place. But in my opinion, this area is more obvious. This fair value gap, okay? It's more obvious in my opinion. We will see how far it will reach. We will see. This is inversion fair value gap entry, right? Yep. No, there is actually the breaker block entry. If you ask me where I will take my entry, I will take my entry to that specific candle. Look at this candle. I will take my entry over there to that candle. My stop loss will cover the mohawk of that breaker block. I will take a partial over here and I will hold my trade until there, here to that fair value gap, to that specific fair value gap, because this is my extreme liquidity. I'm not interested to hold my trade until that area. I would love to hold it until that area. Here, my partial is done. Okay. I will take my entry over there and I will observe the price action like this way. There is three entry pattern. First, breaker block entry. Second, inversion fair value gap entry. Third, order block entry. If you are overzealous, you can look for this fair value gap entry. Overzealous, but that is really so difficult because uh, sometimes you will miss it because this fair value gap will hold the price. This is the last fair value gap. It will hold the price. Market will never close above that fair value gap and it will fall. So sometimes you won't be able to catch that fair value gap entry. Okay, so that's why it's not obvious. Entry, last fair value gap, entry fair value gap, last fair value gap, entry fair value gap. In that area, there is no other fair value gap. Let me mark it. Last fair value gap, entry fair value gap. tapped their reaction. This is your unfilled area. If it is filled, you will start to look for breaker block again. At the same time, this is inside that 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Market is reversing from there to make sure that it's actually falling again. Bro, if you don't mind me asking, do you understand Telugu? No, I don't understand Telugu. I understand little bit Hindi. All credits goes to Pro Trader Path. He actually taught me the Hindi as well. I was with him in that time. He taught me the Hindi. I take counter trades like these till 15-minute fair value gap. That's cool. But go once for me. Today was the perfect MMBM. Okay. So that was the order block from 5 minute chart. Okay. Oh, by the way, from 5 minute chart, it looks so beautiful now. It is trading this fair value gap before falling again. Trading this 5 minute fair value gap. Thank you, Mama, for sending me to this 5 minute chart. Let me see if it can actually fall from there or not. Clean man, good job. Same trade and same management. Okay, congratulations, brother. And the high is created. I called the 20410.50 as the high of the day as long ago. It went 13 handle more than that before this reversal, which is also within the 5 to 20 pip range. The school man, you are the wizard man. I tend to split my risk where I have two POIs and then place 0.25% 0.2 risk near both the POIs. Okay, I didn't understand that part, brother. That's awesome. Okay, MMBM is market maker buy model. Telugu is a language in which country? It's a language from India. Market maker buy model. Yeah, market maker buy model. It's Telugu is an Indian language. So all of you know why market is falling from there because it was inside that, I mean, around the minus 1.5 standard deviation. After that minus 1.5 standard deviation, it was little overzealous, so it reached until the 50% of minus 1.5 and 2. After reaching over there, this was the last half an hour before closing the market. It started to fall to make the PO3 complete. Okay, so it is the completion of the PO3. You have got your high time frame things, the standard deviation, reaction level, and I mean from 5 minute chart. Now this reversal is so obvious from 5 minute chart. I believe that if I go 1 minute chart, I will get something from there, but from 5 minute chart, it is more cleaner. Okay, I mean, it seems like so cool. So I would love to stay in 5 minute chart in that area over there, and I will go to 1 minute chart to see what is happening over there actually. Okay, so this is that fair value gap that should be unfilled. If this fair value gap is filled perfectly, I will start to look for breaker block again. If there is still some time to trade, if it is out of time, then no trade. I'm in intro of a breaker, right? So I take one entry from there. I one more entry from the discounted fair value gap too. Yeah, it's cool. I mean, it's cool. Over there, I didn't even notice that fair value gap. Okay, I was seeing this breaker block and the min threshold of that breaker block. So if you ask me, I would love to mark the min threshold of that breaker block. So there, that was the min threshold of that breaker block. I never wanted to see that market will go above that breaker block because it already closed below this inversion fair value gap. It doesn't need to reach at least until the high of that breaker block. So I will see this and then I will try to catch that one. So this fair value gap I noticed later, to be honest. I didn't notice that one first. I was only looking for that breaker block over there and the min threshold. Frank and Fruity for MMBM, you can check Pro Trader Plus channel. Yeah, thank you, Tamimi, for that link. So Frank and Fruity, if you are interested about MMXM, okay, market maker buy model or sell model, you will get the, I mean, Tamimi has provided the link. Please go over there and watch those videos. I believe that he is the best explainer of market maker X model. That means buy or sell model. He is the best for explaining that. So far I know. I'm not telling this because he's my friend. To be honest, brother, I actually I'm not like that guy. I simply that tell that nobody knows how to use that range. Okay, that means dealing range. Even my friend is working with that dealing range, so sometimes he get angry on me why I tell that. So I'm not telling this because he's my friend. I'm telling that because I have watched his video, and to be honest, it's awesome. That market maker X model series he has built, just awesome, just awesome. So please, if you interest, you can watch it. Okay, so 5 minutes left. We will see how this thing work around within 5 more minutes. It has closed that unfilled area. Now I would love to look for the breaker block again. That means low, high, lower low. I would love to look for that again. But the time is very near to 1 p.m. So there is no entry opportunity, but we will see if it can make some kind of entries or not. Right, that makes sense. Okay. Thank you, Tamim, for reminding them to give me the likes, to push the subscription button, and for for your appreciation. Thanks to all of you. Okay. I will hear 4 more minutes, then I will be complete my session. I'll be here in Friday, inshallah. If I'm not dead, then I'll be here in Friday. Outlander, are you sleeping? I'm really happy for my sound system. To be honest, I'm really happy. I was struggling with the sound system for so long now, and now I'm really so cool with that sound system. To be honest, how much was the actually expended? 39 handle was not bad. You are still here? You're so quiet, man. What happened? Just 2 more minutes, brother. Then I will let everyone go. I'm sorry to hold you here. Okay, so the market is closed. The market is closed already. Uh, Throughout the top stepex, market is closed already. Okay, so no, I'm not going to wait until 1 p.m. because the market has closed already through the top stepex. So guys, thanks to all for joining this stream. I believe that you understand something about the price action. Yeah, I told that when this one is broken, the high was obvious. Because of the psychological problem, I was unable to catch that bull run. I was not able to catch that bull run. Okay, so except that one, if you watch my weekly analysis video, everything was cool. Today's session was little different because of the holiday, and I believe that you got something informative from here. If you don't judge me, instead of that, if you are interested to learn something from here, you will be the wizard of this market. I will make you the wizard of this market. That's my promise to all of you. So until the next video, cheers guys.